Oh my god. Let's go, guys. Power hour is upon us. Give me 1 second, guys. Let's let some people flood in real quick. I will be back in about 3 minutes. All right, be right back, guys. All right, guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? Power hour is upon us, guys. Like the video. Guys, grab the link and help me share it. Share it in Weeble chat. Share it in Reddit. Share this video on Stockwits for me. If you guys want to grab the link, I would appreciate it. We got some volume. We don't have crazy volume, guys. We kind of like, you know, we hit about 5 million, and then we just kind of stagnant here. So we're going to see what happens here in this last hour. However, we did find support here, all right? So we broke through into the zone. We got a bunch of wicks on the bottom pushing us back up. And we are right here next to this 50 SMA. We did find some support, guys. We verified the support here. All right, so we do have support. We're in a new area of consolidation. Hopefully we can stay here and make this happen. All right. 69,420 by the end of the week. Let's do it. I'm okay with that. I am okay with that. Good vibes, guys. Good vibes only. All right, guys. So we had a great day today. We really did. Yeah, we've had, regardless of where we close, unless we come all the way back down here and close at the trend line, which isn't going to happen. But guys, we had a really, really good day. All right, we did. We had a good day. So I think we're gonna, like I said, guys, I think we're gonna close. I'm gonna guess. My guess right now is probably that we close right at this freaking 50 SMA. I'm thinking like 1370. That's what I'm gonna guess, guys. 1370 for power hour. I'm hoping we can break above it. Maybe 1380. Actually, I'm gonna change my. I think we're gonna break above it. I think we're gonna break above. We're gonna close at 1383. All right, this is my guess for the end of the day. 1383. Right here. That's my guess. I'm gonna make it a green line. This is my guess. 1383. Kind of just a random guess, but I did tell you guys that I thought we'd be up in this area today, and we are. All right, guys. I can't predict the future, but price action does tell us a lot. And I did tell you guys that we were going to bounce off this trend line, and I did adjust my trend line just so you know. The trend line was coming up here like this. So since we already have made some pretty big moves up, I went ahead and readjusted my trend line to match this dip right here to 1130. And yeah, guys, we just bounced off the trend line just like I said we were going to, exactly like I said we were going to, and pretty much. We're up in a new level. We leveled up, guys. It's always good to level up like Mario. Okay, we leveled up. We're now using support at 13, what is this? 1350. So 1350 is our new support for now. 4 hours looking good too. We have a little bit of a sell, but we have some buy going, some buy pressure here on this candle. Guys, we're making our way up, all right? We're going to have a really big move up. I don't want to get your guys' hopes up, but I can almost guarantee you we're going to be above $16 by the end of Friday. All right, I can almost guarantee it. I don't want to say for sure, and it is a little bit of speculation, but from the way this is looking, how hard we bounced off this trend line, you know, and to know that we are just kind of, you know, making our way up and down in this flag pattern, this wedge. In order for us to make another low, we got to make another high. Okay, so I think we're going to come up here. We're going to be in this $16 range. If we can close above the 50 SMA on the 4 hour, we're going to be to the top of this wedge, around this 17 something. All right, and then, you know, we got to just hope we come back down and we find support at this level of resistance right here, 1420. All right, so if we come up here to this 17, you know, at the top and come back down, and we just make higher highs and higher lows, All right, we're continuing to make higher lows, guys, all the way. These are just higher lows. They're big swings, but they're still higher lows. Oh, yeah, market is closed Friday. You guys were okay by Thursday then. I'm going to say Thursday. So tomorrow. I think tomorrow, well, if that's the case, then I'm going to change what I said. I forgot that Friday was closed. So I think tomorrow, I'm going to say 1550 tomorrow then. That's what I'm going to say. About 1550. All right? Tomorrow. We got to get above this 50 SMA. So I forgot that markets were closed on Friday. My bad. What's up, Evil? James Boyle, what's up? Ash K, Perry B, Kiwi, Brandon, who else is in here? Kenny, Robert, Brett, Mike. Who else is in here, man? All the standard OGs. DG, what's up? Perry B, Evil October, Headstock, Andrew. Who else is in here? Timeless, what's up, dude? Orlando Luna, what's going on? Guys, we got a Joe Biden speech tonight. Hopefully that's good news. If he talks anything about freaking EV, we're going to pop off. All right. One freaking time. Oh, my God. One time for the dealer. One time. Hit us with that flush. One time, dealer. Oh, my God, guys. Look at this candle. So this, you just saw this big move happen, guys. All right. Right here on the stream. On the 4-hour candle. This is a big move. This is a big old move. All right. We're at 1370 right now. 1370. Look at this move. Power hour. Let's go. We're pushing our way up. Let's see. I know we're close to the 50 SMA now. All right, guys. We just... Oh, my God. Look at this. Perfect. This is perfect. Guys, we're on the brink of closing above the 50 SMA on the 1 hour. This is freaking huge, guys. It really is. This is a big deal. You guys want these booms to the moons. We gotta get above these SMAs, all right? This 50 SMA. And on the 4 hour, I know we're still above the 200 for sure. There's a huge gap here. Look at this gap here. There's plenty of room to move up on the 4 hour. We just broke the 50 SMA on the 1 hour. This hasn't happened since... When's the last time we got above the 50 SMA? This was March 20... I'm going to say right here. The last time we were even above the 50 SMA was March 23rd, guys. Okay, that was like 10 days ago almost. 9 days ago. So we have not been above this 50 SMA in that long. That's a big deal. As soon as we start closing above this 50, you're going to see this 50 gap up like this and get above the 200. That's going to create a golden cross, and that's going to push us even higher. All right, we're freaking popping off right now. 1386. We're already above what I said we were going to close at. This is my close for the day. This is what I think we're going to close at. Right here, right above this 50. Basically, what do I have this at? Let's see. What is this? 1383. That's my guess for today's close. I hope we go higher, but that's my guess. I think we'll probably see a move up and maybe a move back down from the top of this zone. That's what I think is going to happen. All right. What's going on, guys? Thanks for joining me. Rocket Man did all this. Rocket Man just put $1 billion in Microvision. That's the reason we're seeing this boom. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. Joey said he bought another 1,000 shares. Damn, Joey. Congrats. Congrats to you, sir. 1426 close. That's ambitious. Riley, that is ambitious, but I hope you're right. Oh my God, guys, look at this gap. Look at what's happening right now. Right, live on the stream. Let's get some rockets going for this power hour. Oh my God. Rockets going in the chat. Let's go. We're doing this. Forget all those shorts, man. Forget all those bears. The bears can suck it. They're getting wrecked right now. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. We are popping off. Guys, we just jumped above the area of consolidation. We are just popping off right now. Oh my God. Look at this. This is what we're talking about. These are the good days. These are the feel-good days. What's the volume at? Yeah, we do have some volume coming in. I guarantee you we're going to have about 9 or 10 million in volume before this is said and done. We just jumped up 1.5 million in volume in like 3 minutes. All right, power hour is upon us, guys. Look at this candle. Let's go, MVIS. Let's go, MVIS. MVIS one time. Hit us with the freaking flush. One freaking time, MVIS. We deserve it, man. We've been crushed lately. My end of the day is getting wrecked. I think we will see a sell-off, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. I think we probably will see a sell-off here. You know, I just do. But if we close above this zone, if we close above 1410 today, guys, I'm telling you. Oh, we're at 1434. I'm tripping. 1434. Guys, if we close above 1410 today, we're going to have a ridiculous day tomorrow. All right, I'm telling you guys right now. Nope, no news. We're just popping off, guys. There's no news, all right? I can't make this stuff up, guys. But we did exactly, and I want to tell you, I want to stress it. We did exactly what I told you guys we were going to do. If we came down below that trend line break that happened somewhere up in here, we were going to come down and we were going to touch this trend line. The trend line was actually like right here. All right. And we were going to bounce directly off it and, freaking cat. And we were going to just make our huge move up off that trend line. That's what's happening, guys. 1452. Let's go. I am stoked right now. April's knocking. April is a knocking, boys and girls. Guys, give me 1 second. I'm going to put this cat in the freaking bathroom. Oh, my God. Give me 1 second. All right, I'm back. Where are we at? 1509. Oh my God. I was gone for 10 seconds. Let's go. This is good news, guys. I told you guys we got diamond hands on this channel. We don't know what a freaking stop loss is. Oh man, this is insane. Look at this move. Guys, this is crazy. This is nuts. Hit that like button, guys. We got 80 people up in here. I'm breathing all hard. I was trying to run back here. Take some big deep breaths. This is crazy. Let's go. This is what it's going to feel like in April, guys. Was there some DD that came out? Microsoft wins U.S. Army contract for augmented reality headsets. Wow. Holy crap, guys. That's actually freaking huge. What the hell? Guys. Are you serious? This is freaking crazy. Guys, Microvision is in these headsets, guys. I don't have to read through this. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy talk right here. Oh, man, I wish I would have put that 10K in down here. Damn it, guys. I should have just dropped the 10K in there like I knew I should have. All of you that got in on that trend line, touche to you. All right? I'm glad if you guys listen to me, we did what we said. I had a couple naysayers to say all my callouts aren't real and they never play out the way that I say. You're wrong. I hate to say it, but you're wrong. All right, we bounced directly off the trend line. I told you guys if we came down here, we weren't going to see lower than 1010. We just weren't. That was the low, guys. That was the low. And we came down and literally bounced right off the trend line like a freaking boss with some momentum, guys. Guys, I want to talk about the Patreon real quick. I have a lot of people messaging me. If you want to cancel your Patreon, do that. Send me a DM. I do have that one-time pledge right now. $50 one time for now. I'm not going to have it forever. I don't know how long I'm going to be doing that. But right now for $50, you get unlimited access forever as long as I'm trading on YouTube, all right? Forever. All right? So if you want to do that, DM me and I got you. We can cancel the $8 sub and you guys, you get that one-time lifetime pledge. You get the diamond on Discord. And you get to support my channel and me, all right? If you guys want to do that, DM me. $50, one-time, lifetime access to everything that I do, including my Sunday private streams, including my private DD and research, including my weekly how-to videos, all this stuff that I'm trying to put together, all this value I'm trying to give you guys. You have access to that forever. $50 one time. Hit me up on Discord if you want to do that, all right? Guys, Pless have diamond hands. Don't sell your shares or don't sell for a profit yet. I can't tell you what to do, and I can't tell you when to take a profit, but dang it, guys. We are just crushing this. Absolutely crushing it. 1548. That is nuts. I'm just going to go ahead and remove this because that's just, my end of the day was just absolutely wrecked. Guys, we are above the 50 SMA on the 4 hour. Woo! Let's go. That's a big deal, guys. That is a huge freaking deal. We're making our way up and down in this flag pattern, and we're setting ourselves up for a good day tomorrow. Oh my God. I can't believe this. This is actually freaking huge, guys. Look at this. Oh my God. Guys, read this. The Pentagon announced that Microsoft has won a contract to build more than 120,000 custom HoloLens augmented reality headsets. Oh my freaking gosh, guys. What do you think powers HoloLens? Freaking Microvision. Oh my God, dude, this is freaking huge. This is freaking huge. This is freaking huge. Oh my God. Guys, I mean, if you don't think Microsoft's a contender to buy the augmented reality vertical, you are out of your freaking mind. You're out of your freaking mind. Oh my God, what's Microsoft's stock at? That's what I want to know. This is insane. This is actually really, really huge news. Oh my God, guys, that's freaking really, really huge. Holy crap, that's like ridiculous news, guys. We do owe a shout out to Stupid. If it wasn't for Stupid, we wouldn't know that was even in there, guys. Shout out to that guy. Man, that's crazy. Guys, like the video for me. Please like the video. I mean, like the stream for me. Much appreciated. That is freaking huge. I can't even explain to you how big of news this is. Like, that is insane. That is insane. The Pentagon announced that Microsoft has won a contract to build more than 120,000 custom HoloLens augmented reality headsets for the freaking U.S. Army. The contract could be worth up to $21.8 billion over 10 years, a Microsoft spokesperson told CNBC on Wednesday. Guys, what powers the HoloLens? Do you think that the HoloLens can freaking work without Microvision? No, it cannot. I'm telling you right now, no, it cannot. It can't work without it. It cannot work without it, guys. We're about to, oh my God. Man, tomorrow's going to be insane. I'm not going to be able to sleep tonight. Guys, I'm not going to be able to freaking sleep tonight. That is absolutely insane news. I can't even believe this. Like this is just absolutely insane. Oh my God. Does it say Microvision in here at all? Let me see if I can find Microvision in this article at all. I doubt it does say that, but wow, that is so insane. Amazon was challenging the contract too. Look at that. Wow. Dude, that is so crazy. What a sick OPR. That is, oh, it can't get any better. It can't get any, I mean, it can get better, but that's crazy. That is insane, insane news, guys. You saw it here on Trade Mode James channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel, press the like button, and get up in the Discord. Get up in that Discord. Oh my God, times 10. Let's go. Guys, we're freaking popping off. I told you guys. I told you all we had to do was bounce off that freaking trend line, and look what's happening. You match that move with the news. Oh man, guys, if we bust above this trend line up here, we're in for something special. Guys, all we got to do, I got my 10K freaking ready. I wish this would pop above 1920. Trade Mode James throwing 10,000 up in this thing real quick. Guys, if you want to see me put $10,000 into Microvision live on the stream, give me a thumbs up because I'm going to do it. Thumbs up for Trade Mode James putting 10K all up in Microvision's face live on the stream. 10,000 big dollars. I'm stoked. 1641, guys, 1641. What is happening right? This is absolutely insane. I gotta check my account. I'm already back up 7,000 profit, guys, for the freaking day. Let's go. 7,300 for the day. That is good stuff, and that's just on that account. That doesn't include my other account. I regret not putting 10K in here when I knew I should have. I wanted to wait until the close above 1920, and I'm still gonna do that. But I should have put it in here. I knew it too. I just knew it. I felt it in my bones. Absolutely insane, guys. 1678. You guys want to see me put that 10K in, huh? All right, we're gonna freaking do it. Hope y'all don't think I'm joking, because I'm not. I am not joking about that. I have it ready to go. I've had it ready to go. I've been waiting for a moment to put 10,000 back into this stock, guys. That'll put me at about $35,000 total investment. All right. We're about to pop off, guys. This is freaking awesome. I hope you guys are as happy as me. I'm freaking happy. Guys, don't be surprised if we get a sell-off here, okay? Don't be surprised if we get a sell-off. Just don't, all right? Because like I said, this is just a news candle. Remember that. This is a news candle for sure at 100% at this point. This is a news candle. All right, if I've ever seen a news candle, look, we haven't had a candle this big in how long? Look at this candle. When's the last time you see a candle this big? There hasn't been a candle this big in this entire freaking move. Since we were below down here, there hasn't been one. Guys, there has actually, I take that back. There has not been a candle like this in 10 years. 10 freaking years. There has not been a candle like this. I don't even know what's happening right now. This is crazy. Literally, we have not had a candle like this in 10, maybe more than that. I bet I could go back and not find a candle like that for like more than 10 years. This might be the biggest candle that Microvision's ever had. I mean, I'm just being so serious. This could be a squeeze, guys. What's the short shares? We got to check Fintel. We got to check Fintel, guys. We freaking got to check Fintel. Oh my God, guys, this is crazy. I hope I'm not screaming into the mic too loud. I can't even believe it. I can't, I mean, like, you know, you do the DD, you do the research, you know, Microsoft is absolutely in love with Microvision. Their crap can't exist without MVIS, okay? So like, you know, all this stuff and you know, you do the research and you got everything locked down and then you get the, you know, you get crushed like this, like we did. And then you just get this news and it makes it all freaking worth it. It makes it all worth it. It really does. Guys, just so you know, I want to bring it up one more time. If you guys want to do, I don't know how long I'm going to be doing this, okay? And I'm not trying to pump it, but I don't know how long I'm going to be doing it. $50 one time is going to get you lifetime access to the Discord. All the stuff that the gold tier on Patreon gives you, you're going to have that forever, literally forever. You will literally be an OG of this channel, all right? If you want to support the channel, hit me up on Discord. You cannot buy that on Patreon. You have to do it directly through me, and I will hook you up, all right? But if you want to cancel the Patreon, your $8 a month, I understand that's really annoying to pay monthly, and I freaking hate Patreon. So one time, $50, lifetime access to every single piece of content I put out, including literally everything that I do. All right, hit me up on Discord for that. We already got a bunch of people doing it. If you want to be part of the family, you want to be part of the team, get with me. We're gonna hook you up. Guys, this is an insane candle. I'm gonna go back just on the stream so we can see if we've ever had a candle that big. I honestly don't think we have. I mean, I've looked at these a lot. Maybe we have. Maybe back here. I know we haven't all the way here. I mean, this is a pretty big candle right here. But I mean, this was up at, you know, this was back in 2009. All right, so we had some big candles back up in 2000, in the, you know, mid 2000s. But still, ever since, for about 12 years, we have not had a candle like this. So I don't know what to tell you guys. I mean, well, I guess these are pretty big. Actually, yeah, these are big. I take that back. But that's a weekly. I'm talking about like on a 4-hour time frame. It's gonna be hard to find a candle this big. 1714, guys. Oh my God, are we gonna make a 10-year all-time high today? Is this gonna jump up over 19 freaking or 2420? I don't even know. We're about to be at the top of this freaking the top of this channel already. What is happening right now? Oh my God. Guys, I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening, but I like it. Guys, press that like button for this stream. This is crazy, guys. This is freaking crazy. Oh my gosh. And guys, it's not even April. We haven't even heard about a sample. Oh my gosh, guys, we're about to make so much freaking money. $21 billion contract. Do you think, guys, okay, let me tell you something. We're going to talk about this real quick because this is huge. I want you guys to know this. Microvision's, guys, hear me out. I know you guys are excited about the candles. Hear me out. Microvision is getting paid royalties for the HoloLens, okay? We know that. That's their only form of money right now. Other than that 50 million ATM, they are making royalties, and they have been making royalties off the HoloLens. If Microvision is creating has a $21 billion contract, Microsoft, Microvision's gonna make some freaking money off that, guys. They're making royalties off Microvision's HoloLens. Dude, we're about to make so much freaking money, guys. I don't even know what's happening right now. I hope I didn't fall asleep during after lunch and I'm just dreaming right now. But if Microsoft just announced this, guy, I don't even know what to say right now. I don't even know what to say. This is absolutely ridiculous. I don't know what their I mean, if they're making royalties off the HoloLens, and this is a $22 billion contract, how much of that is going towards Microvision? You know what I mean? Like, they're getting some cash from this contract. And oh my God, I just can't even believe this is happening right now. I'm like freaking out, guys. I'm freaking out right now. If they're paying $22 billion, or what was it? $22 billion. What is Microvision's cut for those royalties, guys? The next earnings call is going to be freaking insane. The next earning call is going to be freaking insane. Oh my God. Oh my God. I hope you guys are watching this, guys. We got 184 people in this chat. Let's freaking go. Guys, like this video. We're watching this happen live. This is history in the making for this company, guys. This company has been not made a freaking peep for 10 freaking years. 10 years. Look at this. And y'all want to tell me this is a dead cat? Hi, people. Where are the Bears at? Oh my God, let's get some thumbs down for the Bears right now. They're getting freaking wrecked. They're getting wrecked, guys. The Bears are finally, these freaking Bears are getting wrecked. Thumbs down for the Bears in my chat. Let's go. The Bears are finally getting a taste of their own freaking medicine. Let's get it. Let's get it. Where's Dwayne? Where's Patrick Ryan? Is Patrick Ryan in here anywhere? I would love to talk to him. Patrick Ryan, where you at, man? All these people that hated, where are you at? 1838, guys. This is no freaking joke. This is real life. We just busted above the top of the trend line. Oh my God. Oh my God. 1857. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God. What is happening right now? Oh, guys, this is insane. I told you guys that after this move off, I didn't know this was going to happen, but I told you guys that when we bounce off this trend line down here, we're going to have a big move up. Guys, we had the weekly divergence happening. This is that divergence we were talking about. All right, we got these higher lows happening here. RSI is showing lower lows. That is a weekly bullish divergence. All right, that is freaking insane, guys. Look at this candle. We're at 1855, guys. 1855. Oh my God. What is happening in the world? This is the most epic PR that we've had so far. I mean, this is absolutely insane. Guys, do you understand that Microvision powers the Microsoft HoloLens too? It powers it. There's no way that it can even work without Microvision's technology, guys. Oh! You guys, I'm sweating so hard right now. I'm sweating so hard right now, guys. Guys, press that subscribe button on my channel. If you wanted to, a lifetime access to all my content, it's $50. Hit me up on Discord. We're getting that popping off. You get to be part of the family. 200 viewers in here. What's up, all you new peoples? Press the like button. We only got 60 likes on this video, guys. Press the like button. Press that like button. 1821, guys. I expect a sell-off here pretty soon. I just do. I can't imagine we're going to make a much higher candle. I mean, we got 5 minutes left on this candle. If we freaking close on this candle above this trend line, guys, I don't even know what to say. Like I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say. I'm trying to think of words to say right now because I'm on stream, I'm on live, and I'm trying not to freak out too much. But this is freaking huge. I wish we knew the percent of their royalties. If we could figure out what percent their royalties were, we could figure out how much money Microvision is going to make from this deal. And if this is a $22 billion deal, oh my God, guys. I don't even know. Like I said, I imagine a sell-off here, all right? I do. I do. Guys, I'm up 10K on my account. I don't know about you guys, but I am up $10,000 almost. All right, for the day. 10,000 for the day. That's absolutely awesome. All right, we need to close somewhere above here. We need this to keep going. That is huge news. We're having a sell-off here. A lot of people selling their shares right now, probably. Guys, if you're listening to this chat, I know it's tempting to sell. I know it's tempting, guys. It's going to be even more tempting when we're at 50, 60, 70, 80 bucks. Hold tight. We want to kill these shorts. Dennis has it right. We want to kill these shorts, guys. All right, I want to freaking wreck their lives. I want to take their souls and snatch their souls out of their bodies. All right, don't sell your shares yet. I can't really tell you that. I don't want to tell you not to sell your shares. This might be something that you absolutely need for your family, but if you really care, you're going to make a lot more money. Hold tight, guys. Who knows what tomorrow's going to bring? We could be at 30 bucks tomorrow, guys, with news like this. Can you guys even imagine the after hours? Let me know. I just can't even imagine it. I don't even know what's going to happen tomorrow. It's going to be insane. All right, it's going to be insane. I can't even, I mean, this is insane news. This is, if you sell right now, you're making the wrong move, man. I'm just telling you. I'm just telling you guys. Who said that? Who made 5K? Alexander Khan is up $100,000, guys. Thumbs up for Alexander, man. Boom. Congrats, brother. Congrats to you. 24 million in volume. Oh my God, guys. We do. We have look at this volume. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys, this is freaking crazy. I don't even know. I'm so excited right now. You know, it's like you have those shitty days, and I'm going to cuss. I don't care. We had shitty days, guys. We were getting wrecked. These make it worth it. These make it worth it. Look at this freaking volume, guys. I bet we hit 30 million. Who knew that this was going to be the most epic power hour of all freaking time, and I'm streaming it right now. Oh my God. I'm going to be able to look back on this years from now, and I'm going to be able to say, I streamed that news. I streamed this news. Guys, I'm almost convinced that Microsoft's buying the AR at this point. I think they are. Guys, I think they are. I'm going to make that prediction right now. After seeing this news, I think that Microvision is about to snap up that vertical. I just do. I just do, man. The news. Sheesh, guys, this is the news right here. If you guys want to read it, I'm going to link it in the chat. Microvision wins Army contract for augmented reality headsets, which is the HoloLens 2, worth up to $21.9 billion. Microvision gets royalties from that. We already know that. So this is a payday for Microvision, guys. This is a freaking payday. This is a freaking payday. All right. Expect a sell-off here. Okay, I expected a sell-off. We already knew that was going to happen. Many people have paper hands. They start seeing green. They get all giddy. Not us, guys. Not this channel. Not me, at least. I don't know about y'all. I ain't freaking selling. 10,000? I'm not losing my position. I'm not losing my position for $10,000. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not losing my position for 10K. It's never happening. It's never freaking happening. I think I think Jersey's right. I think our buyout price just went up, guys. I mean, I mean, if you're Microsoft, why would you not want to purchase the entire vertical? Why wouldn't you? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make any sense. This is freaking crazy. Guys, I expected a sell-off here, all right? I did expect a sell. We got 1 minute and 19 seconds until this close. I'm hoping we can close above this trend line. I don't know if we will or not. And guys, don't be surprised. Let me tell you something. On a big move like this, don't be surprised if we come back down to this 1550, all right, this 200 SMA. Do not be discouraged, okay? It could happen, and it probably will, all right? But that does not change the fact of what just happened, all right? Tomorrow is going to be insane. Tomorrow is going to be insane. We got not till close of the bell. We got 1 minute till the close of this candle. 46 seconds on this hourly candle, guys. It's just insane. I can't even believe it. Let's look at the RSI real fast. I don't even know what's happening right now. Look at this RSI. Guys, we're super overbought, okay? We're super overbought. There's so many orders being filled right now. All right, I don't know. We're going to have to see what happens. This is crazy. This is the best news we've ever gotten since I've been in this stock. I mean, this is insane. Days later, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella defended the Army augmented reality project, telling CNN that we made a principled decision that we are not going to withhold technology from institutions that we have elected in democracies to protect the freedoms we enjoy. Oh my God. This is freaking huge. Oh my God. Guys, and we still have 30 minutes before close, all right? No, I would not sell, Greg. I wouldn't do it, man. Look, I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm not selling. I could sell right now for a $10,000 profit. I'm not doing it. I'm not freaking doing it. I'm just not. That's just me, guys. I don't know about you guys. Your decision is your decision. I'm up 10,000. I'm not selling. I don't care. I don't care what happens. And actually, I'm not up 10,000. I'm up about 9,000. I'm not selling. We just keep getting blue candles here. This is insane. Look at this daily candle. That weekly divergence I was talking to you guys about. All this stuff is making a play. All right, it's playing a role in what happened. All right. So for anybody that said my calls were off, no, they weren't. No, they weren't. The short-term stuff is hard to predict, guys. The long-term stuff is not. All right, price action wise. I told you guys we would bounce off that trend line. We did. I told you guys we would close below the 50 SMA. We did. I told you guys we were going to make our way back up to the top of this channel, and we did. Not to toot my own horn, but I'm tooting it, all right? I'm tooting it a little bit. All right, guys, we're all making money together. Let's get some rockets in here. You guys, if there was ever a time to put rockets in this chat, it's right now. All right, you guys just saw some of the sickest movement this stock has ever had. All right, the sickest movement the stock has ever had. You guys just saw it live on this channel. Let's get some rockets. 235 people in here, guys. Like the video, please. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that. If you want lifetime access to all my content, my private streams, my private DD, all that stuff, it's $50 right now. Hit me up on a DM on Discord. I'm gonna get you locked in with that diamond. Or you can go to my Patreon and pledge $8 for gold. You get all the same stuff as that, except it's monthly. All right. Yes, let me see those rockets, guys. This is crazy. Absolutely insane. I can't believe it. I'm just so, I literally have tears in my eyes right now, guys. That's how serious I am about this stock. I have tears in my freaking eyes because I knew that this stock was special. We all knew it was special. You guys should be so happy for yourselves that you took a chance, all right? That you invested in something that you believed in, all right? And look what's happening. It's finally happening. $18. $18.20. I don't think this is over. We got too much volume, guys. 30 million volume. Let's freaking go. I want to start screaming. My cats are looking at me like I'm freaking crazy. We have so much volume right now. I can't even imagine what after hours is going to be, guys. We're up 50%. 50%, guys. I can't believe it. Oh my God. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Guys, get up in my Discord. All right, here, I'll give you guys the link. The Discord is freaking popping off right now. If you want to have some fun, get up in my Discord, man. This is the time to do it. There's the Discord. Get up in the freaking Discord. Join the family. Guys, I can't even tell you how happy I am right now. Like, it's just, what a great feeling to just bounce back like this. And this is just the beginning. That's the best part about it. This news is not just short-lived. This is freaking huge news, guys. I was going to just go over price action. We're just going to talk about how crazy this is. This news is absolutely insane. I mean, it's like colossal, right? $22 billion contract. They won it, guys. There's no more bidding, none of that. They freaking won it. They won it, all right? And I know it's not Microvision that won the contract, but the HoloLens is powered by Microvision. Guys, go look up stupid S2U, is it S2UPID on Reddit. He literally bought a HoloLens and freaking destroyed it just to show you guys and prove that Microvision was inside of it. And it is. All right, it is. We know that for a fact without a shadow of a doubt. We also know that they're getting royalties from the HoloLens. That's actually been their only source of revenue. Okay, it's crazy. Guys, hold out on taking your profits. I'm telling you, don't want to miss the squeeze, man. All these shorts are closing they're closing it. I'm telling you, I bet you anything tomorrow we see over 1 million short shares available. How much I want to bet? I bet we see over 1 million short shares available tomorrow. There's no way the shorts are still holding their positions. No freaking way. I don't know how they could. I don't know how they could. There's 250,000 available right now. This was as of 2 hours ago. So this isn't even updated after this PR hit, okay? It's not even updated. I bet you anything, a lot of these shorts start closing their positions. Guys, this could be the squeeze, okay? I'm letting you know. This could be the squeeze. I don't know if it is or not, but it could be the squeeze. I would sincerely, you know, guys, tell you don't sell. I mean, I can't tell you what to do. I can't tell you what to do, all right? But I will tell you this. It's not a good move to sell. It's not, guys. It's not. Don't lose your position, guys. Don't lose your position, all right? It's not worth it. You know, who knows what could happen? You guys, there could be PR tomorrow that Microsoft just bought the whole freaking company. Who knows? We don't know. That's the whole point about it. You don't want to lose your position, all right? Everyone that had those $16, $17 averages, congratulations to you. You're in green, all right? Freaking congratulations. Seriously. Seriously, guys. Absolutely insane. Guys, if you want access to the members only chat, you're gonna have to get gold. All right, I know you got a few of you messaging me. You're gonna have to get gold on the Patreon, or you can do the one-time lifetime access to all my content that I'm gonna be pushing out in the near future, including there's a lot of stuff that I'm gonna be doing. All right, so the only way you can get in the members only chat is to either get gold in Patreon or do the lifetime pledge, which is $50. No big deal, $50. I think that's valuable considering what I'm going to start doing on this channel. A lot of Forex stuff, a lot of stock coverage. We're going to do a lot of stuff, okay, on this channel. So if you guys think there's value there, go ahead and go to my patreon.com/TreyMoJames, and you guys can get gold through there and get access to all these hidden channels in my Discord. All right. I just can't believe this, guys. 1801, 1809, absolutely insane. I mean, if somehow we close above this 1928, if we could close above this right now, oh guys, you're in for a really, really solid week. Oh man, this is exciting. I'm excited out. I don't even think I can be any more excited. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Guys, if you think this is nice, wait until you freaking hear Google's gonna buy the freaking LiDAR, or Google's using Microvision. Just wait till you hear something like that. Wait till you hear something like that. This is insane. All right, this is absolutely freaking insane. All the shorts are getting absolutely wrecked right now. They're getting wrecked. All those puts are getting wrecked. And I don't feel bad about it. All you bears, I hope, if there's any bears in this channel, I hope you feel the pain. Feel the pain, feel the burn. I hope let it sink in. Make a better decision next time. All right, make a better decision next time. Make a better decision next time. Sorry. Guys, I got to get a new monitor. That's the only reason you guys are seeing this. That's the only way I can see the chat. My phone's dead. I'll charge my phone so I can look at the chat on my phone, so you guys don't have to see that. It's not about the stats. I'm sorry. This is the only way I can see the chat. My bad. I'll put this back up. Let me charge my phone. Hold on. My apologies. All right, guys. So this is crazy. This is just absolutely insane. Did we close above the trend? Oh my gosh. I can't. 1831, guys. Oh man, it feels good. Feels so good. As soon as my phone turns on, you guys won't see this video, this window again. I'm sorry about that. All right, guys. So I wonder when this is going to update. I am very interested to see when this updates, so we can see how many shorts are getting absolutely raped and scared and close their positions and make some more available. I can't wait to see that. 1858. Guys, oh my God. Are we going to do it today? Is this the day? Is this the day we close above 1928? I don't know. I'm just so happy. I'm so sorry if I'm being annoying. I really am. I'm sorry I'm being annoying. Riley Thomas said, hey, James, remember when you said 1426 was ambitious? I do. But hey, I can't predict they're going to drop some PR like this. This is crazy. There's no way I could have known that. There's no way I could have known that. It's freaking impossible. All right, phone's on. You guys won't see that window ever again. Sorry. 1839 on the stock ticker. We got 21 minutes left on the bell today. I don't know what's going to happen. We have a lot of volume, guys. 35 million. Look at these. All these people jumping in now. Man, it's like love and hate, right? It's like, we told you. Why are you going to jump in now when everything's popping off? You should have hopped in way before this. You would have made a lot more money. You would have made a lot more money if you just listened to us. But, nobody wants to listen. They want to do their own thing. That's all right. It is what it is. It is what it is. We're not going to worry about it because we know what we did. We all got sick averages. A lot of these people in here have made millions of dollars, I'm sure. Bobby says, what is the news? This is the news, Bobby. Where is it at? Somebody link it in the chat. Marlon, thank you. 254 people in here, guys. Like the video if you can. I'm sorry I was freaking out there for a little bit. That's very exciting, though. That is very, very, very exciting. Absolutely crazy. What a gnarly power hour. Super gnarly, guys. Oh man, it feels good. Tonight's gonna be a good night. I'm not gonna sleep at all. I'm not gonna sleep a freaking wink tonight. I just already know it. But this has been a really, really stupid 30 minutes. Absolutely insane, guy. It's not even over yet. Like we could really just make. Oh my gosh! If we close above this is gonna be insane. I told you guys if we close above this. I mean, I didn't know when it was gonna be, but if we close above this line right here, this 1928. All right, we have literally reversed. All right, guys. Let me remove all this stuff. And I mean, I'm gonna leave this on here actually. This stuff is irrelevant now. I'm gonna remove this. This is pointless. This is pointless. Look at this move up in this channel, guys. Just insane. Look at the 50 SMA. The 50 SMA is finally making its curve up, guys. This is what's gonna happen. If this continues, you're gonna see this 50 SMA cross above this 200 SMA, and that's gonna create a golden cross. That alone, guys, the FOMO alone from this PR is gonna shoot us up. I mean, I'm not gonna predict $30, but I can tell you right now, this is absolutely colossal PR, okay, and colossal news. And I think FOMO alone at this point could take us to $30. I really do. I really do. I really, really do. It could really pop off here, guys. Don't sell right now. I'm not. Technically, I'm not telling you to sell, but don't sell. You guys are in for a treat if you hold. Diamond hands, guys. We did not invest to sell at 1925. Okay, or whatever it's at, 1864. We did not invest to sell right here. We invested to sell up here. Let me show you guys where we're gonna sell. All right, we're gonna sell up here, somewhere up in this piece. All right, not down here. You don't sell here. You sell up here. We already know this company's worth 20 billion minimum. We already know that. So why would you sell? Look at all this money right here you're gonna be making. Look at all this. This whole gap is money that could be going into your trading account. Do not let go of your position right now. It's as tempting as it is. You know, I know a lot of you have really nasty and really insane entry points. Don't let go of it yet. Do yourself a favor. This is life-changing. This is a life-changing stock, guys, all right? It really is. Life-changing. Life freaking changing, guys. All right, man, I'm just really stoked. All right, guys, I got the chat popped up on my phone now. Now it's turned on. For all of you that know, I'm not trying to show you my stats. This is the only way I can see the chat if I'm not on my phone right now. I'm on my laptop, so I don't have multiple screens. Let me get it popping off here, guys. If you haven't already, sub to the channel, please. Press subscribe on my channel. We cover Microvision every day, so you know we're in here doing this every day. We got a little family going. And we'd love to have more people. All right, we got a sell-off happening here. Obviously, this couldn't go on forever, guys. This couldn't go on forever. You know, people are selling their shares. These are probably retail traders selling their shares. But you know, I'm not with it. All right, I did not get into this stock and spend all my time researching for months and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks to sell at $19 freaking. All right, if I didn't sell at this, I'm not selling here. All right, I didn't sell up here. Why would I sell down here? It doesn't make any sense. I'm not doing it. Your guys' situation might be different than mine, but if I didn't sell up here at 24.20, I'm definitely not selling at 18.92. It's not happening. Not for me. Not for me. And again, I want to apologize for screaming into the mic and getting all crazy, but man, this is absolutely insane PR, guys. We just hit 40 million in volume. Rockets going in my chat right now. I want to see some rockets for 40 million in volume, guys. We are up 50%. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. I don't even know what to say. We're just gonna watch it. I don't know what to say. My blood pressure is up so high right now. Like, it really is. Holy crap. And I bet a lot of you are just making bank right now, guys. Expect a sell-off. I expect a sell-off. This is a huge wall, guys. I want to show you this to you, okay? We're going to get back down to business, all right? Enough of the excitement. We're going to talk TA. This is a huge wall, all right? We have a lot of movement here, a lot of... guys, this is a 1 hour chart, just so you know, all right? There's a lot of touch points here on this line, all right? This 1928, okay? I don't know. I don't know if we can get above this today, all right? But the thing is, though, we're touching it, and that's the biggest part. And what we need to have happen is we need to close above this trend line at this point. If we can close above this, we're setting ourselves up for a gnarly day tomorrow. Okay, the volume going into tomorrow is going to be crazy. I guarantee you we're going to have like 15 million before 10 o'clock. I can almost guarantee it at this point. That's insane. So we have multiple touch points at this line right here. This is the biggest wall that we have. Guys, after this wall, I want you to look left, okay? Like I always tell you guys, if you want to know what's going to happen in the future, you look left, all right? We got to find structure in these markets, all right? This is how we can predict where price is going to go. This is how we can predict what's going to happen. There is no structure past 1928. I want you to look at this. Up in this area right here. This is structureless. There's a few walls right here, like $21. This is the only one I can see. All right, but as far as like actual structure goes, there's not much structure in these candles. All right, that tells you that there's room to move. All right, there's room to move. And closing above this 1928, which I've been preaching since, you know, on down here, since I've been preaching since February. You know, all the way back here, I said 1928. There's a wall here, and when we can close, and like I told you guys. This high right here made a new high above the previous high in the downtrend. So we had this downtrend going, 1, 2, 3 touch points, verified downtrend. We came down, we had this big drop off, then we had this this boom right here. This brought us back above the previous high in the downtrend. Okay, this is a big reversal signal. This is when that first market crashed. Okay, so the fact that we're making our way back up here on this one is huge. We made it above this 1925. We made it to like 1928 or something right here. Did not close above it. Then had another epic sell-off. All right, and that's just what happens, guys. You know, it is what it is. This is a big wall. Okay, it's a big wall. But then we made our way down and we touched the trend line, which I moved. The trend line was somewhere up in here. And I told you guys what's going to happen is we're going to come down here. We're going to touch this trend line because as you can see, this trend line is ultra respected. We've never had a break below this trend line since the beginning of this big move, guys. We just haven't. This is a super respected trend line. All right, every time it gets close to it, we have a ridiculous move up. And I've been saying this for days, and I'm just patting myself on the back right now because I'm super happy that I was right. Every time we came close to this trend line and or touched it, we have had a huge move to the upside. Look right here, we came down to 1010. The trend line was a little bit higher over here, and we came down, we wicked off it and had a huge move up. All right, same thing, had this big sell-off. Came down here, touched the trend line. Now look at this move up. I can't make this stuff up, guys. All right, I can't make it up. I cannot make this up. April demo has not been announced. We have no idea when that's going to happen, unfortunately. Let me read some of these comments, guys. Hold on, I'm not good at this. Let me read some of these comments. Fintel's 100,000. All right, so if Fintel's 100,000, these idiots are thinking that the stock's going to drop. It's not. Not after that news, guys. We just lost 150,000 short shares, so they're done. They're out of steam, guys. There's literally no more shares available. There's no more shares available to be shorted. They're all out there. There's no more. Like, that's freaking huge. This is squeeze central. Guys, any kind of news, let me tell you what's going to happen. Any kind of news of a buyout, any kind of bigger news than this, what that's going to do, all these shorts are going to close their positions instantly if there's news of a buyout. Instantly. They're all going to close them. It doesn't matter if they're green, red. It doesn't freaking matter. They're closing their positions. That's going to open up all the shares. The shares are then going to be bought up instantaneously, which could skyrocket the price well above the buyout. If we get a $20 billion buyout, that's $130 share price. Imagine all the shares being bought up at one time so fast that the stock price rockets up to $300, $400, $500 in an instant. All right, as fast as you saw this candle move, imagine it shooting up to $500 per share for a short period of time. All right, that could happen, guys. It can happen. I'm telling you, this is literally a squeeze in the making. You guys are watching it live. All right, this is a squeeze in the making. So I hope you guys are ready, and because I mean, it could really happen. All right, it could really happen. I imagine they didn't close yet because, like I said, these guys are pros, all right? A lot of these hedgies are pros. They know there's going to be a sell-off here, all right? They know that we're going to get up in this area and people are going to have paper freaking hands and they're going to sell all their shares because they're, they're in green a little bit and they don't know what they're doing. If you sell right now, you don't know what you're doing, all right? You just don't. And unless you do and you need the money, that's another story. And I hate to hate on somebody for taking profit because I could never do that. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to hate on you for taking profit. But just know this. If you sell right now before April, right after some news like this, you're just making the wrong move in general. Now, I'm not saying you're making the wrong move personally because you might need the money, but as far as like trading goes, why did you get in this stock to sell right here? It doesn't make sense when you really think about it, all right? It doesn't make sense. Heather, thank you so much. Heather's always promoting, man. $50 lifetime membership right now. Don't know how long I'm going to do it. If you guys want that, hit me up on Discord. I'll hook you up. And I'm gonna be putting out a lot more content, guys. A lot more. It's worth $50. I promise. I promise you. I promise. I guarantee it. All right. You're gonna get some value out of that. And like I said, I hate the monthly thing, so I don't know. I personally, when I was learning trading and I was, you know, paying other people to teach me stuff, I would have rather just paid one time and just been done. I'm telling you guys, you pay that one time, you have access forever for anything I do in the future. All right. And that's just a fact. Hit me up on Discord for that. The Discord link is in the chat right here, guys. Let me put it in the chat for you guys. The Discord's free, guys, just so you know. You have to pay to get in here. This is completely free. All right. We have a really cool community in there. And if you guys like talking trading, you know, if you like trading, get up in the Discord. There's a lot of cool people in there. It's worth it. It's worth it just to get in the free, get up in there and, you know, just talk to people in the public chat. If you like talking stocks and stuff. This is a huge move, guys. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Let's pull the RSI up. Somebody said something about the RSI. We'll check it out. RSI is not dropping yet, guys. We're super overbought, though. All right, we're super overbought. But like I said, I can't imagine that we're going to dip. If we do dip, I imagine we might come down to this 70, maybe this 70, 75, and then just make our way back up. I don't think this is over, guys. Look at what's happening around 1893. Guys, we're about to break 19 freaking dollars. Oh my God. We're about to break $19. Oh my God. I can't believe it. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. Look at freaking Velodyne. Velodyne's down 0.95%. Trash company. Look at their volume. 3 million, guys. We're about to hit 50 million volume. Out of all the stocks on my watch list, we are killing every single one of them. We have the most volume out of any stock on my watch list right now. That includes freaking Tesla. All right, guys, we're about to moon. You guys want to know when moon? It's right the frick now. That's what it is. That's what it is. Right the frick now. When moon is right now. It'll be a minute since you see me. Y'all see me this excited. I'm excited. I don't even know how to talk right now. I am so excited. Brandon James, what's up, man? I got you, brother. Here, I'm gonna send you some info in the Discord. Brandon James, basically, the lifetime membership is $50. You can send it to me on Venmo, Cash App, whatever, and I will lock you in on Discord. You get a little diamond next to your name. You got access to all the gold area in my Discord and all the future private content that I have, including like my Sunday private streams. I'm gonna start doing all the DD and research on other companies I'm thinking about investing in. And guys, if you want to make money and you want to make money with the team, get up in that lifetime membership. It's worth it. I promise you, it's worth $50. I know that's a lot of money, but it is worth it. All right, it is worth it. Or you can get on my Patreon, patreon.com/TreyMoJames. You can get on the gold there for $8 a month, and that's worth it too. All right, so whatever you guys decide to do, and if you don't decide to do that and you just want to hang out in the chat for free, I appreciate that too. You guys just being in here makes me happy, and it supports the channel. So whatever you guys want to do, I am okay with. And thank you guys very much for being in here with me today. We are killing it. We're freaking killing it, guys. Brandon, sorry if I'm not responding too quick. Give me a minute. I got like literally 20 people that want to do that lifetime right now. I got 22 DMs from people that want to set up the lifetime. I will get back to you guys as soon as I can, okay? Let me finish this stream and I'll get with you guys on that, all right? Guys, if we can, oh my God, if we can close above this, I don't even know. We got 6 minutes left. We got 6 minutes left on this power hour, guys. 6 minutes. All right, 6 minutes. I highly suggest you guys subscribe to the channel, guys, because we're gonna be covering this every day. We've been covering it every day on this channel. I get on the stream in the morning at the bell, 8:30 in the morning, and I usually stream through lunch and then come back for power hour. So if you guys like this, what I'm doing here, you like this stream, you're having a good time, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time I go live, which is every single day. All right, I'm seriously covering this stock very, very hard right now. I have Microvision. You see what I did there? I have Microvision. Yeah. All right. Army contract, guys. They just got a contract with the Army, with the freaking Army. Microvision didn't get the contract, but Microsoft did for 120,000 HoloLenses. That's a $22 billion contract. The HoloLens is literally powered by Microvision. It can't work without it. And we already know that Microvision gets royalties from the HoloLens already. That is their only source of income right now. That's it. There's nothing else. That is the only source of income. All right, so this is payday for Microvision, guys. This is a freaking payday. All right, and they knew this was coming, guys. Sumit Sharma, they all know. All right, we got Judy Karan from Forward. We got freaking Saval Oz from Google, both dropping on the board of directors. Saval Oz still hasn't filed, her paperwork, so they're waiting for a buyout or something strategic. It's absolutely insane, guys. This is, if you're just finding this stock, this is a great time to get in the stock. I don't know if it's a great time price action wise. I might wait to see a little bit of a drop off, but in general, anything under $20 is going to be a freaking steal. All right, it's going to be a steal. Hear me, it's going to be a steal. All right, it just is. KK009. I'm going to give you the details real quick, but I will get back with you as soon as I can. All right, let me put this back on here. I got 30 people wanting to do this lifetime thing. Hold on one second, guys. All right. Like I said, I got over 30 people trying to do that lifetime right now. I don't know how long I'm going to be doing that, guys. So if you really want to get up in that and get that lifetime access to all my content, my future and past, you might want to do it now because I don't know how long I'm going to be doing that. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I don't know. 50 million in volume, guys. That's insane. We almost have double the volume of Tesla. That's just absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. I am. They're getting hooked up after the bell. I don't want to leave them hanging. So, they're sending me messages. I want to tell them I'm trying to tell you guys, I will get with you as soon as the stream is over, okay? I'll get with you as soon as the stream is over and we'll set you up. Guys, we got 2 minutes. How long we got? 2 minutes and 41 seconds till the bell. All blue, all green. This is crazy. This news is absolutely insane. Guys, we're definitely going to stream for another 30 or 45 minutes, all right? We're going to talk about what just happened. We're going to do a little bit more technical analysis, and we're going to talk about the contract and see if we can find some more information. So as soon as 3 o'clock comes, I wouldn't sign off yet. If you guys have time, stick around. We're going to talk about some more stuff about Microvision and what can happen, where I think the price is going to go, where I think it can go, and just everything about Microvision's price action today. We're going to talk about it for about 30, 45 more minutes after the close of the bell, which happens in 2 minutes and 6 seconds, all right? How many short interest shares? Guys, like I said, there's only 100,000 short shares left available. Guys, think about this, all right? There's 157 million shares outstanding, all right? Think about that number. 157 million shares outstanding, all right? There's only 100,000 short shares available left. That means that all of the shares available to be shorted are basically gone. The bears have no more steam. There's nothing left they have. They have no more way to short the stock. There's just not a way, all right? So what that's going to do in the event of a buyout, in the event of any kind of PR that's regarding someone acquiring a vertical, anything like that, all those people that are shorting, all those hedge funds that are shorting, they're going to close their positions. I mean, that's what I would imagine, all right? They're going to close their positions. They know that that's going to skyrocket the price, all right? They don't want to lose any more money. They're going to close their positions and call it a day, all right? And they're going to find another stock to go screw up, all right? And that's what they're going to do. That's going to allow all the shares to be purchased, all right? That is going to skyrocket the price, all right? So if we get a $20 billion buyout, and this is just speculative, but let's just say we get a $20, let's just say we wake up and there's a $20 billion buyout PR. That's a $130 share price, all right? That's all those shares that are going to become available will be purchased instantly. That could violently bring the share price well above the buyout price, $200, $300, $400, $500, $600, maybe even $1,000. We don't know. We don't know how high it can go, but it will be quick and it will be violent, all right? So be watching for that. You got to be on this news, all right? Because that could really happen. And eventually over time, it might be 5 minutes, it might be 10 minutes, it might be 5 hours. Price will slowly go back down to the buyout price, all right? And that is an epic squeeze. That is a squeeze, all right? That's what a squeeze is. What are we at right now? 1861. It's looking like a good close, guys. We got 6 seconds left. Let's get some rockets, guys. We had a freaking epic day. Epic day for Microvision, guys. There we go. Let's go. 1863 is the close. Let's do it, guys. Oh my God. 1863 on the close. Freaking rockets, guys. Spam those rockets. We freaking did it. I told you guys we were going to do it. We did it. We did it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Say it with me, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm up $11,000 for the day. After hours is going to be insane, guys. You can see right here on my thing, I'm up $11,232 for the day on this account, all right? I do have 2,100 shares total, and my average cost is about $11.50. All right, so that tells you where I'm at on my investment, guys. All right, we did it, guys. We freaking did it. We did it. Oh my God, we did it. Where's the DAC at? I'm interested in that too. What's the DAC at? We freaking did it, guys. Don't leave yet, guys. We're just getting started, all right? We got 288 people in here. You guys might as well hang around and listen to me rant and talk about Microvision, all right? I do it every day, and I'm pretty good at it, so let me do it. The NASDAQ's up 1.54%, so we're definitely not following the NASDAQ. You guys see this? The NASDAQ's kind of dipped off here. We're not following the NASDAQ. This is straight news. This is straight PR. This is straight price action. Screw the NASDAQ. We don't care about that right now. Microvision does not care about the NASDAQ. Oh, my God. I can't imagine. Lynn said, oh my God. I'm so freaking excited, guys. I'm talking so fast. Oh my God. I was asleep before Power Hour. I was taking a nap. I am so excited. You guys have no idea how excited I am. It's amazing to be excited when you're right. You wait, you know you're right. You got diamond freaking hands, guys. I'm so glad. I'm not saying I'm glad I didn't sell, because I could have made like 20 or 30K day trading on this stock in the last 2 weeks. But I know the bigger picture, all right? We know the bigger picture. We didn't know this was going to happen. We did not know this was going to happen. Oh, and this is everywhere right now. CNBC, Washington Post, TechCrunch. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. And this is huge, guys. We already know that Microvision gets royalties from the HoloLens. Guys, this is almost as good as like a vertical being sold PR. This is huge. All right, we already know they get revenue from the HoloLens, okay? This $22 billion contract, they're going to make a killing off that. I mean, they're going to make a killing. I can't imagine what the next earning call is going to be like. It's going to be insane. It's going to be crazy. All right? It's going to be absolutely insane. I wish I could read through these comments right now. There's just so many of them. Let me see here. After hours, we're already up after hours, I think. Let me see. No, we're kind of like hovering. Guys, if you like what I'm doing here, I know this is normally not how this channel is. I'm not usually this excited. All right, but usually we're a little bit more calm. But in the event of what's happening, you guys can understand why I'm so freaking excited. All right, press that subscribe button, please. I ask you, please, because it helps my channel. And I'm trying to do good things for the stock and the trading community, guys. I do Forex and and the stock market. So if you guys want to learn some stuff, press subscribe. Get up in the Discord. The Discord's free with the option of a lifetime membership, and that basically is just for right now. I don't know how long I'm going to do that. There's so many people that have hit me up in the last 10 minutes about it, and or the last 30 minutes about it. So I don't know how long I'm going to do that, but it's going to give you some value. It's worth it. All right. If you want to learn trading, you want to learn technical analysis, you want to learn Forex and stuff like that, guys, get up in that. It's worth it. All right. $50 one-time pledge, and you don't have to worry about it ever again. And I got you on lockdown. I'm going to start doing private streams on Sundays where we can talk about any stock you want, guys. If you're part of that and you throw a stock out there, I will look it up. We will do some DD on it, and it's going to be worth it. All right. But for right now, we're talking about Microvision, and this is just insane, guys. What a nasty day. Just absolutely. This is like one of those days where, like, you've just been beaten up every day. You've been taking a beating every single day for weeks and weeks and weeks. And finally some sweet green action. And it feels so good. It feels good to know you made a good investment. It feels good to know that this is going to be a catalyst to a higher share price. All right, there's no way this is going to go back down after this. I just can't even, how could it? How could this possibly go back down after this? I don't understand. We might see a dip back down into the zone. I don't know. Tomorrow we could. I don't think it's going to happen, but it could. It very well could. I'm hoping we have a last kiss happen here, guys. This could be like the most epic last kiss of all time. If you don't know what a last kiss is, It's my Forex strategy that I use. It's from a book called Naked Forex. And basically, it's just a breakout retest strategy. So you're in a zone of consolidation. You break out of the zone. You don't get in on the breakout. You wait for the retest. All right. So this is kind of what could happen here. Let me just go ahead and blow this up for you guys. So a last kiss, a cookie cutter last kiss would be breakout, come back down like it is right here. Come on the next candle will come back down, test in the zone with a wick, and then on that wick back up, that's when you're going to want to get in for a day trade, and that's going to be the big move up. That's a last kiss, all right? So this is kind of looking like that's how it's going to play out. We got some wick on the top side coming off this big wall right here, and this is a huge wall, guys. It's going to take a lot to get us over this wall. We have 50 freaking million in 52 million in volume, guys. 52 million. Nope, I was not going to invest in 1925. I told you we have to close. Mike M. I said we have to close above 1928. That's what I'm getting in. That's what I'm getting in. Don't let it be known. I did not say I was going to put 10K in at 1925. I said I was going to put 10K in on a close above 1928. That's my entry point to add on, and I've been saying that for weeks and weeks and weeks. All right, ever since down here, I said ever since actually about down here, I said if we close, not go above with a wick, we have to close above it, all right? I need to close above 1928. At that point, I will add on $10,000 on the stream, 100% guaranteed, promise you, because I've been waiting to do it, all right? I've been waiting to do that. So hopefully Monday I can do that for you guys. All right, hopefully I can do that. Lee Trader says, why are you adding at such a high price? Because that is going to be a catalyst to a very higher price, okay? A lot of people would say, why didn't I add down here? I was going to, but, you know, I wanted to see what the market was going to do. There's a lot of volatility, and $10,000 for me is no joke, all right? There's no joke. I need to see that the price wants to be outside of this wall. All right, we could come up here to this wall and drop all the way back down to the bottom of this trend line. All right, I mean, seriously. So I don't want to put $10,000, you know, under this wall. I don't want to do it, so especially at this point, because I already know, you know, how this price action works. So it's going to take a little bit to get us over this wall. But if we close above 1928, and if we close above it, that's when I'm going to be comfortable putting that investment in, because I think that's going to be a very big catalyst, guys. We have a weekly bullish divergence happening. Let's go through this real quick. Let's remove all this stuff. All right, I want to show you guys this divergence that's happening, or it was happening, and it still is. All right, so divergence is basically when price action is showing different movement than RSI. All right, so we're on a weekly time frame, and guys, this is super powerful. Okay, you can see here we're making higher lows. All right, we had this big move up to the big side, 2420, came down to what is this, 1010, and we are slowly made higher highs and higher lows. Okay, higher highs, and look, I want you guys to see this, making higher lows. All right, and that's just what's happening here. All right, that is bullish territory. It's even more bullish when RSI is showing opposite. So if you look down here, the RSI is showing we're making lower lows. It's showing we're making lower highs, okay? This is bullish divergence, okay? This is a very strong signal. This is what me and a few other traders, well, only one other really have been talking about. I'm not hating on any of the other traders, but there's only a few that are covering the stock that actually know what they're talking about. I'm just saying. You know, a lot of them go based just off news. They go based off what they want to have happen, and you know, they go based off just things that aren't really in the realm of reality. Price action is king. This is going to tell you everything you need to know. All right, if you know how to read price action, then you can kind of make an educated decision and guess on where price is going to go. No shade directed to anybody. I love all of you guys, but just know that, you know, if you're just trading based off news, you're just trading based off something you want, that's not a very good strategy. Okay, you got to be able to read these charts. There's a lot of data in here that you can extract. All right, and there's a big way. There's a what's the word? I don't know what the word I'm trying to think of. There's a way to extract all the data from here, and that is learning how to read price action. All right. So this weekly divergence is a big deal. When RSI is telling me I'm making lower highs and lower lows, but price is telling me I'm making higher highs and higher lows, that's telling me we're in the zone for a huge reversal. Okay. That's a big signal. Thumbs up if you understand bullish divergence. I hope I explained it properly. When price is telling you you're going one way and RSI is telling you you're going the other, that is called divergence. All right. So if price is going down, making lower highs and lower lows, and RSI is telling me we're making higher highs and higher lows, that means we're having some bearish divergence. Okay. Thumbs up if you understand that. It's a big deal that you understand that, because once you start being able to recognize these divergences, you can really get in here and make some money in these day trades and swing trades. All right. I hope you guys understand that. I hope I explained it properly. All right, guys, I'm new to YouTube, just so you know. I've been doing this channel for less than a month. So, you know, take everything that I say with a grain of salt, but just know that I have called out a lot of this stuff that's happened, and it's played out exactly like I said. All right, so just understand that. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but I do have some knowledge to drop, and I do have some value to give you guys. Whether you subscribe to my Patreon, whether you do the one-time $50 lifetime access to all my content or not, you will still get this stream every day, and I still try to drop as much knowledge as I can during the stream. All right, this divergence is a very strong signal, guys. We're setting ourselves up for a big move to the upside. All right, big move to the upside. Insane. Mike B says he's up 2 million in gains in 1 hour. Mike freaking B. Oh my God, Mike, don't you forget about that Tesla, bro. Don't you forget about that freaking Tesla, man. I'm gonna be hitting you up, dude. I'm dead serious. Oh, Mike B. Mike B has a lot of shares, guys. Mike B is a market mover, this guy. Shout out to Mike B. Shout out to Mike freaking B. Thumbs up for Mike B, guys. That guy's a boss. He really is. Congratulations to you, brother. I hope you have an awesome, awesome night, man. That is so cool. 2 million bucks, guys. It must be nice, Mike B. Must be nice. Oh, man. Let's see here. T. Schloss says, you underrated. I just subscribed. Hey, thanks, man. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you so much. I hope I can bring some value to you guys. I know I can, actually. I don't think I know I can. I just need you guys to give me a chance, all right? Give me a chance, and I promise you we're going to eat together, all right? Get up in the Discord. I talk in the public Discord all the time. You don't have to be in the private members section, all right? I talk to all you guys every chance I get. You can DM me anytime you want, whether you're a member or not, whether you've paid the $50 for the lifetime access or not. I reply to every single DM. And I'm there for everybody, so that's just a bonus for me. It helps the channel. It helps me get my rig. I need to get a new rig, guys. I've been trading on this freaking laptop forever, and I need a new rig, so we need to do that. I need to get that popping off. Congratulations to all of you guys, all of you. I'm so happy for all of you guys. You know, I'm happy for myself. I am so happy for all of you guys. You know, I just really am. I got chills right now. You ever get, you know what goosebumps are? I have goosebumps right now. I'm so freaking happy for you guys because I know we've had bloody weeks. I've seen you guys in the chat. You know, the energy has still been pretty high considering what's happening. And I try to bring the high energy. I try to keep you guys motivated and give you some positive affirmations on your investment. You know, we made a solid investment, whether we're red or green. This stock could retrace all the way back down. Guys, I don't care. We could go all the way back down to $10 right now. We know what we invested in, okay? And I'm just happy for you guys. I'm happy for you guys. I know you guys are happy too, and it makes me happy that you guys are happy. Because like I said, I've seen the comments. Everybody's been sad. They've been, you know, talking about how much they're down, and it's like it's just a good day. It's just a good day. It's a feel-good day, all right? This is a feel-good day. Oh man, my blood pressure was so freaking high. I'm not even gonna go back and listen to that video. I bet I sounded stupid. I bet I sounded so dumb. But you know what? I'll sound dumb for a 50% gain on a day. I can sound dumb all day. We made 50% return today. I'll sound dumb all freaking day. All right, guys. I'm going to stream till 4 o'clock, guys. I already decided. So we're going to stream till 4 o'clock. We got 45 minutes left. Whatever you guys want to talk about, we can. I'm going to pull that contract out. Let me see this freaking contract. Let's read this again. Microsoft wins U.S. Army contract for augmented reality headsets, the HoloLens 2, worth up to $21.9 billion over 10 years, guys. All right, if you don't know your DD about this company, I'm going to tell you right now. Someone on Reddit, his name is Stupid. Shout out to that OG. He literally bought a HoloLens. He paid all that money for it, and he just broke it right in half. He destroyed it. $3,500 down the drain just to prove to the naysayers that Microvision was inside and actually powering the HoloLens. And it was, and it does. And we know that, you know, the only revenue that Microvision has right now, or has had, it has been from the HoloLens, which hasn't had that many sales up until now, apparently. This is a payday for Microvision, guys. We know that Microvision already has 17 new job listings, guys. 17 new job listings. Let's go over the DD real quick. Microvision has 17 job listings right now, okay? Number one. Number two. They just released 2 board of their directors, one of them which owns 10 at least 10 million shares of Microvision. He's not selling his shares. Why would he? He knew that this was coming up. He's in the company. Of course, he's not going to sell his freaking shares. He knows about this deal. This isn't a deal that just happened yesterday, okay? This has been in the making, all right? This has been in the making, okay? And, this has been in the making. So he knew about this deal. He's not selling his shares. He knows what's going to happen to this with his company, okay? So we got Judy Curran from Ford. She's been put on the board of directors of Microvision. We got Saval Oz. She's been put on the board of directors on Microvision. Those two huge names right there. Why would they join a sinking ship, guys? For all the naysayers, for all the stupid bears in the world that want to talk about shorting the stock, they want to try to get you to sell their shares so they can cover their shorts. Why would the two huge names like that in the autonomous car, in the car industry, join Microvision's board of directors if Microvision was a sinking ship? Doesn't make sense, all right? It doesn't make sense. Okay, one of the positions that they have is for a marketing director who they want to pay $200,000 a year to. How could Microvision pay somebody $200,000 a year when they barely made $600,000 the last quarter? That's because they knew about this deal. They know about these deals that are coming up. All right, this is not the only deal for Microvision. All right, there are other deals. They have multiple verticals. The LiDAR being the biggest one. Okay, they know about this stuff. All right, this stock is about to freaking boom. Okay, that's how they can pay a marketing director $200,000 a year, because they know that they're about to have some revenue. That's how they know. All right, that's how they know. And all these dots, you got to be able to think about this stuff critically. You can't just come in here and, not be a critical thinker and expect to figure it all out. All of it makes sense when you really put it together. It just does. And, it just does. I would highly recommend you guys go to Reddit and read all the DD on this company if you haven't, because it's very, 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 very important, guys. It was not hard for me to connect the dots. I mean, as soon as I started reading it, as soon as I started really like putting the dots together, this all made sense. I was like, I don't care if we go down to $5. Okay, you're going to short the stock down to $5? Sweet. I'm just going to add on. How about that? I'm just going to add on. Every time you short it, I'm going to add on. And that's what a lot of people did. You start shorting this stock, I'm going to add on. I'm not selling my shares. Are you kidding me? Everything in the world in this stock is pointing that it's going up. So why would I sell my shares if you drop the price to 10, 5, even $1? I don't care. The share price is irrelevant when you're talking about a buyout. It's irrelevant. This stock price, this share price could drop all the way to $1 tomorrow, and we could get a $20 billion buyout announcement. That's a minimum of $130 million or $130 share price. I don't care if it drops down. It doesn't matter. It does not matter. You guys want to know my end of the week prediction? I'm gonna have to do some DD. I'm gonna have to do some real research real quick and really get into this TA once the stream is over before I can make that. I need to really look at what's going on. It's hard to do it on the stream. It's hard for me to really focus and concentrate. But I will tell you this. I think we're going to make an ATH, guys. Not this week. I think next week we're going to make an ATH. All right. I think sometime next week we're going to be above 2420. I just do. That's my prediction. I think sometime, not tomorrow, I think sometime late next week, maybe even earlier than that, but sometime next week we're going to be above this 2420. After this news, this is huge news, guys. You want to look at the cup and handle, Insta? We can look at the cup and handle. You talk about the 10-year cup and handle? Guys, look at this cup and handle forming here. 10 years this company didn't make a peep. Look at this 10-year cup and handle. Finally making the cup fill up. We got the handle here. This is the handle right here. All right, we got the cup right here. Boom. And we got the handle right here. Crazy times, guys. Absolutely crazy freaking times. All right, this is a huge signal that we're going up. Trying to read some of these comments. I wasn't able to read all of them. If guys, I missed your comment, I'm sorry. All right. Anyone who's hit me up on Discord, guys, there's like 50 people who are hitting me up for that lifetime thing. I will get to you ASAP as soon as I'm done streaming. All right. I got you guys. I promise. Give me a little bit of time and I will get back to you. All right. KK09, Brandon James, Blur, Cameron. I don't want to read through all these names, but I got you guys, all right? Let me get through the stream, and we're going to set you up, all right? If you guys want to make money, if you guys want to make money with my team, if you guys want to make money with my channel, you guys, you need to get in the gold because that's where all the good stuff's going to be, all right? You can do $8 a month on Patreon or a one-time $8 fee. It still gets you gold, and, at least for a month. And if you want to get the lifetime access, it's $50 one time. It's worth it, guys. I promise you. All right, I know what I'm talking about with this price action stuff, and we're gonna get into forex. I'm gonna start making some forex videos. There's gonna be a lot of value I'm trying to pump out on this channel. So in my opinion, it's worth it. And guys, if you don't want to donate and you don't want to pledge and you just want to hang out in the channel and on the streams and learn like that, that's more than awesome to me. Okay, and I appreciate you guys just being here. I really do. I really, really do. Just hanging out in the channel is enough for me. All right, let's talk about the short interest here. We got 100,000 left. Let's see if this is updated at all. All right, so as of 38 minutes ago, there's only 100,000. Oh man, this is like music to my freaking ears. Oh my God, this is music to my ears, guys. 100,000 shares available to be shorted. That's it. They're out of steam, guys. They're out of it. There's nothing. I mean, they're just out of steam. They're out of gas. They just are. At this point, they're not closing their positions yet. They're hoping this tanks again, so they can probably get out. Once any kind of any real news, like a buyout or anything, like I told you, I explained that squeeze earlier to you guys, that could violently shoot the share price well above a buyout. So if we get a $20 billion buyout, that's $130 share price. You could see the stock price literally go $500, $600, $700, $800, $900, $1,000. We don't really know how high it can go. That's just what's so cool about a squeeze, all right? And it will violently come back down as quick as it went up. That is what happens, all right? And it could be seconds, it could be minutes, it could be hours, all right? But just, prepare yourself for it because it really could happen, all right? It really could happen. Forex is the foreign exchange market, all right? F-O-R-E-X, not 4X. Sorry about that, guys. It's F-O-R-E-X, Forex market. Yeah, you guys can see this right here. All right, forex.com. It makes, guys, the Forex market makes the stock market look like child's play, all right? It makes it look like child's play. The volume, the size, it literally makes the stock market look like a children's playground. It really does. There should be an image you guys can see, all right? So you guys can look here, all right? So the New York Stock Exchange is a $28 billion whatever. Look at the Forex market's in the trillions, guys. It's in the trillions, all right? This is an average daily volume. 5 trillion on Forex, guys. 5 trillion. Yes, you heard that right. The foreign exchange market on the daily is around 5 trillion. All right, look at the stock markets. Look at the New York Exchange, 22 billion. This is huge. All right, so there's money to be made in Forex. All right, and you just got to know how to get in and get out, and that's what I'm going to teach you guys how to do. I think a lot of you have what it takes to learn these charts. I really do. I know you guys understand what I'm saying on the basics of what I'm saying as far as trend lines go, the Fibonacci. Divergence, all these little basic tools we use to predict price. A lot of you guys already understand it, so I think you guys will kill it in the Forex market. Go to babypips.com. I highly recommend this site. This is where I learned. Babypips.com. You guys can have literally a free education. I mean, it's completely free. Just click education, start course, and you'll be able to literally start here at the very beginning, preschool. What is Forex? How do you trade Forex? When can you trade Forex? Who trades Forex? Why trade Forex? Margin trading, blah, blah, blah. You keep coming down here. It just gets deeper and deeper into it. Brokers, 3 types of analysis, support and resistance, Japanese candlesticks, Fibonacci, all this stuff. This is all free, guys, all right? And I recommend you just sit there and go through it like 10 times until you understand it. It took me months to understand it, so you're not going to learn it overnight. I promise you that much, unless you're just a freaking genius. But that's where I started, and I recommend you do too. All right? Babypips.com. www.babypips.com. Completely free. This is one of the sickest websites in existence if you're trying to learn how to trade Forex. It's just, there's nothing better, I promise you. And it's not paid either. It's completely free. 100% free. I'll put it in the chat for you guys if you guys are interested, because that's what I'm going to start doing Forex on this channel. If you want to learn about Forex, like I said, guys, oh man, it didn't make it a link. Oh, I got to do it like this. There we go. That did it. Anyways, guys, you see the volume. Forex on a daily is trading around like 5 trillion in volume. Okay, the stock market's like 24 billion. Okay, so it makes it look like child's play, and it is. All right, it is. The movements of currency pairs is a much more violent than the stock market. All right, it's absolutely insane. We're gonna start talking about that stuff here pretty soon. I'll make some videos on that. All that's gonna be part of my private, my pledge. What do I call it? like the Patreon members. Okay, that's not going to be free information. So if you guys want to learn that and with me and make some money in the forex market, you're going to have to be get gold. All right, either through Patreon for the $8 a month, or you can do a one-time pledge of $50, and I got you forever. As long as I'm trading, I got you. I don't know how long I'm going to do that, so keep that in mind. Keep that in mind, guys. But all of you that have pledged already, thank you so much. There's a bunch of you with a diamond next to your name. If you see somebody with a diamond in their name on Discord, that's because they made a $50 pledge, and they are bound to me for life. You're a lifer at this point in my book. And I'm going to give you every single piece of value that I can. I'm going to do my best to just bring you guys as much value as I can, and we're all going to eat together. I promise you that much. I'm going to start calling out trade setups in Forex market. I'm going to start calling out some trade setups, maybe some scalp setups or some day trades in the stock market. All right, guys, so there's going to be some value there. It's going to be worth it, all right? Let's see here. What else can we talk about? Let's go back to this. I just want to read this again. I really do. This was a freaking awesome PR. Like, absolutely amazing. Where is it? Absolutely amazing. So guys, basically this doesn't say that they're going to buy the HoloLens. This says that the contract follows a contract Microsoft received to build prototype headsets for the US Army. So I'm guessing they're not just going to be HoloLens HoloLens 2s. They're going to be brand new prototypes just for the Army. That's so crazy. I mean, oh my gosh, that's insane, guys. So sick. Absolutely amazing. That looks badass. I'm not gonna lie. That looks so awesome. Wow. The Pentagon announced that Microsoft has won the contract to build more than 120,000 custom HoloLens augmented reality headsets for the U.S. Army. The contract could be worth of $21.88 billion over 10 years. Microsoft shares moved higher following the announcement. The deal shows Microsoft can generate meaningful revenue from a futuristic product resulting from years of research beyond core. And guys, years of research. Hello, 10 years of research. You guys think this company was just like, hanging out, eating donuts in the break room for 10 years? They weren't just shoving donuts down their face in the break room for 10 years, guys. They were freaking working on their technology. All right, the technology was obsolete back here. That's why the company tanked. That's why it was allegedly a penny stock, because there was no value in LiDAR or augmented reality back in these days. Nobody could use it. So how could they have any sales? So they weren't stuffing their face with donuts in the break room for 10 years, all right? They were literally making and perfecting their technology, their verticals, setting themselves up for a huge buyout at some point when all this stuff became relevant. And it is now, obviously. Okay, the standard issue HoloLens, which costs $3,500, enables people to see holograms overlaid over their actual environments, kind of like Pokemon Go. If you guys know about that, it's kind of like Pokemon Go, and interact using hand and voice gestures. An IVAS prototype that CNBC reporter tried out in 2019 displayed a map and a compass and had thermal imaging to reveal people in the dark. Wow, that's freaking sick. The system could also show the aim for weapon. Are you guys kidding me? Is this freaking Halo or something? The system could show the aim for the weapon? Oh my god, dude, that's huge. That's freaking huge. Wow. The IVAS headset, based on HoloLens and augmented by Microsoft Azure Cloud Services, delivers a platform that will keep soldiers safer and make them more effective. Alex Kipman, a technical fellow at Microsoft and the person who introduced the HoloLens in 2015, wrote in a blog post. The program delivers enhanced situational awareness, enabling information sharing and decision-making in a variety of scenarios. The headset enables soldiers fight, rehearse, and train in one system, the Army said in a statement. The Pentagon did not immediately respond to a request for a comment. The deal makes Microsoft a more prominent technology supplier to the U.S. military. In 2019, Microsoft secured a contract to provide cloud services to the Defense Department, beating out public cloud market leader Amazon. Amazon has been challenging the contract, which could be worth up to $10 billion in federal court. So Amazon's kind of impeding on their patents, guys. Basically, that's what that's saying. Some Microsoft employees asked the company to hold off on submitting for the cloud contract, and similarly, a group of employees called on Microsoft to cancel the HoloLens contract. Quote, "We did not sign up to develop weapons, and we demand a say in how our work is used." The employees wrote in an open letter regarding the HoloLens contract. Days later, Microsoft CEO defended the Army Augmented Reality project. Obviously, he would. Look how much freaking money is on the line. Telling CNN that we made a principled decision that we are not going to withhold technology from institutions that we have elected in democracies to protect the freedoms we enjoy. What an angle. What an angle, guys. Okay, so they're pretty much saying, hey, we're not going to withhold our technology when it's being used to protect the freedoms. No, of course they're going to say that. They want the freaking $28 billion, okay? The Army, meanwhile, has suggested the augmented reality technology could help soldiers target enemies and prevent the killing of civilians. All right, guys, that's insane. That is some absolutely insane PR. I mean, I don't think it even gets better than that. It does get better than that. Man, that's crazy. Wow. Wow. Stephen Smith said, I'm glad I'm already a lifetime an OG. You are an OG, buddy. Gonna get rich with James. We're all gonna get rich together, man. Guys, if you want to be an OG, you want to be on the team, just shoot me over that $50. I'm using it to expand the channel. All the money is going back into the channel. All right, I'm not just going and buying, you know, a bunch of crazy stuff for myself. I'm putting it back into the channel. All right. So if you want to send the $50 over and get lifetime access to all my content, hit me up on Discord. I got you. It will be worth it. I guarantee you. And honestly, if you don't think it's worth it, I'll send it back to you. All right. That's just what I'm gonna tell you right now. If you don't think a month from now there was value in your $50 investment, I will literally Cash App it right back to you. All you got to do is ask one time. No questions asked. All right. That's my pledge to you. But I guarantee you there's going to be some value with it, all right? We're going to make some money together, regardless if it's Forex, stock market, whatever. We're going to make some money. All right, guys. We got 29 minutes left on the stream. 29 minutes. I'm going to sign off at 4 o'clock. I got to just breathe. I just can't even believe that this is happening right now. Like, it's just, you just wait this whole time. Like, I just constantly am having like teary eyes because it's just like, you know, you make a solid investment and, you know, you're getting crushed, and then, you know, you get news like this, and it's just like, it just reassures you that you made a badass decision, a badass investment. All right. It's awesome. And I'm just so happy for you guys. I'm happy for me. I'm happy for my girlfriend and us. We're going to make some money in this, but I'm happy for you guys because I know a lot of you have higher averages, and I know you're feeling good right now. A lot of you had $16, $17, $18 averages, and you're finally in the green. I mean, what's it feel like? I hope you guys are taking in the moment, man. You know, bust open a nice red wine, have a couple glasses, have a freaking awesome night. It's worth it. You're in the green finally, okay? You're in the green. Trevor Stock says, I like the videos, bro. Thanks, Trevor. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate that. I've been trying. Guys, I've only been doing this for a month as far as the YouTube videos go, all right? I literally have only been doing this a month. We crushed the 4,000 watch hour requirement by YouTube. We just hit 1,000 subs like 3 days ago, so we're killing it. And I appreciate y'all very much. I'm going to do my best to give you guys, to make this worth it for you guys. I know it feels good, Papa. It does. Troy Caster has a $22 buy-in. Hey, you're next, buddy. You got $22 average. You're next. It's not far off for you, man. I promise. Especially after this news. It is not far off. I promise you. Hold tight, all right? I feel like a good positive affirmation for you is to tell you, yes, you're still in red, but there's not as much red. You know, there's not as much red. I don't know how much you're in for, but you're not down as much as you were yesterday. All right, so that's a good thing. You got to look at it like that, buddy. Troy says he's about even now. That's good. Congrats to you, man. Juan Martinez sent me a message on Discord. I got you, bro. I got you. Give me just a little bit of time to reply to all you guys. All right, guys. Wow, what a day. I was not expecting this for Power Hour. This is crazy. This was just insane. Guys, RSI is already going back up. We had a sell-off, and now it looks like we're making our way back up. What are we at right now? 1855? That is such a sick close. Oh my gosh, guys. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane, guys. Oh, look at Luminar. Oh, poor Luminar. Poor Velodyne. Oh my God. 1140. Where's Dwayne? Dwayne, where are you? Angus, where are you, my friend? Where are you at, Angus? Are you in here, buddy? Speak up. It's okay. I mean, you were wrong, and it's okay. It's okay to be wrong. It's okay. I'm not gonna hate on you, man. It's all right, Dwayne. Oh my God. Dwayne, step up and talk to us. Where you at, buddy? Oh my God. Where you at, Dwayne? I really hope he's listening. I know he's listening. We got 204 people in here, so that dude is listening right now. He's probably freaking crying in the corner watching this on his phone with a blanket over his head. Dwayne, I still like you though, man. Just show yourself, buddy. We're gonna turn the tables. We're gonna get you in Microvision, man. Oh my God. Oh, I had to do it. I had to tease him a little bit, man. We know he's a troll. I had to tease him a little bit. 1855. We're having a sell-off here, guys. We're back down to 1766. All right, 1766. That puts us. Where's that put us on this chart? I need to redo this chart. Let me redo this for us so we can see what's going on here. Let's redo it. Let's draw on these trend lines so we can see where we're at. We got like 25. I might stream a little longer. I'm having a good time. I don't got nothing to do today. I already did what I had to do at lunch, and that was sleep, so I'm good. Let me draw these trend lines in real quick. Wow, that looks absolutely terrible. What am I doing? All right, guys. So the trend line was basically here. Okay, we're leaving where it was. That way, you know, I can just prove my point that I did call this out, because, you know, I do want to pat myself on the back a little bit here. I had a few people telling me that none of my call outs were happening, and nothing I was saying was right. Guys, I just want to tell you that that's not accurate, all right? I told you guys, even right here, I said, guys, if we break below this 200 SMA, we're going to come down here. I already had this trend line drawn in, all right? This trend line was already drawn in on my chart. So I already had this drawn in. And I pretty much said if we close below the 200 here, there's no structure over here, all right? So there's no real wall stopping us from coming down. The only wall we really had was right here at this 974. All right, this is the only wall that really would stop us from going lower than that. So what happened was we came down and we touched the trend line. We bounced off. Guys, if you look throughout history, all right, history repeats itself in the real world, and it repeats itself in these markets. All right, I learned that in Forex. It's the first thing I learned. That's the first thing I was taught by my mentor, is that history repeats itself over and over and over. If you see a death cross, you can almost guarantee the price is going to go down. If you see a golden cross, you can almost guarantee the price is going to go up. All right, these little things happen over and over and over. So it's not a coincidence that this was a 4-month respected trend line. This trend line's super respected, guys, super respected. And every single time that we touched this trend line, what happened? I want you guys to look at this. We just boomed up. We came down, touched the trend line, and we'll start here. We touched the trend line, came all the way up for a huge move, came back down, touched the trend line, came back up, touched the trend line, came back up. These are big moves, guys. This doesn't seem like much, but this was, you know, 537, and this was 737. So that's $2 in price in like a day. That's freaking huge. All right, in one day. That's a big move, all right? That's like 60%, or what was it, like 50% or something like that. And then, okay, let's look at the big move. We had a touch on the trend line, and we rode it all the way up to 2420. This is where we had that market crash, all right? And we're just going to go through this, because if you guys want to look at my Moonwatch videos, it's a series I have on YouTube. The first series I started doing when I did this a month ago. I call it the Moonwatch. And I'm definitely gonna make number 11, like probably tonight. I'm excited for that, guys. I'm super excited to make that one. All right, it's gonna be an epic one. But anyways, we made our way up to 2420. All right, and we had this downtrend happen here. We got 3 touch points. We got a verified downtrend. All right, we came down here and we bounced back up. We made our way back above the previous high in the downtrend. That's a really big reversal signal. All right, so the fact that we came back up above the previous high in a downtrend, I thought we were gonna go up from there. We got faked out. The market crashed. What happened? We came down here. You guys, I can't make this stuff up, man. I can't make this up. I called it out right here. I said, hey, if we go below this 200, we're probably going to touch this trend line down here. And that's exactly what happened. And we bounced off it with some freaking momentum all the way up here to this 1860. All right, came down, touched the 50, found some support, came back up, came down, came back up, and then we came all the way down for this crash. Now we're back down around this trend line. I said, guys, I said about right here, I said, we're probably going to go below the trend line at this point. Maybe a little bit. We need some wick that's going to push us back up. We need to see some wick on the candles if they do go below. Well, here's a big wick, and this was some buy pressure, and we made our way off this trend line, and now look what happened. And I know a lot of this was from the news or whatever, but, you know, we even before the news, we were right here. So if I erase this candle, we still bounced off the trend line and started making, we got right up to this 50 SMA, and we actually crossed above the 50 SMA. All right, and that news just was the catalyst for this big move. All right, so this is a respected trend line, guys. We're making higher lows and higher highs. We are in bullish territory. All right, we're in bullish territory. Fundamentals are important. Fundamentals are important, but TA is not bullshit. And if you really think that, this ain't the channel for you, man. It's not, because technical analysis is the only reason I was able to predict everything that's been happening, okay? Fundamentals are important, you're right, but TA is definitely not BS. Definitely not. 100% wrong there. This is definitely, technical analysis is the reason I'm able to predict what's going to happen here. I don't have a crystal ball, and I have been wrong a few times, you know, in the short term, but the long-term moves, I've been pretty spot on, guys. These trend line touches are huge. And I told you guys a day ago yesterday, I said, we're going to come down here. If we touch the trend line, we're going to bounce off. And that's exactly what we did. We got a 4-month respected trend line. This is technical analysis. I don't see how you could say this is BS. I really don't. I mean, if I just erase every single thing on this chart and I just left this trend line, all right, literally just left this trend line for you to look at. If even right here, if we pretend like, oh, this wasn't here, and I just left this trend line and I say, guys, every time we touch the trend line, we're going to bounce off. More than likely, considering how respected it is and what happened, boom, boom. I mean, it's not BS. That's not BS. You're wrong there. No, I did not predict the news, brother. I did not. But I did predict the bounce off the trend line. And news didn't happen until about right here. So, I mean, I don't know. In my opinion, this would be considered a bounce. All the way down here from, what, $12.15 all the way up to $14. Yeah, I would say that was a nice prediction and price movement. So TA is definitely not BS. If you think that, I wouldn't trust anybody that would tell me that TA is BS. You clearly don't really know what you're talking about. No offense, but you don't. For you to come up in here and say TS is BS, TA is BS, I don't know. I really don't. I don't know if you're trolling me or not. But I wouldn't trust you with the. I wouldn't trust you as far as I could throw you, for you to come up in here and say technical analysis is BS. That's just not. That's just 100% incorrect. But anyways, guys, so like I said, we made our way up here to this 19. What did we get up to? 19. Wow. I didn't even know we made it. That's crazy. 1935. Insane. What a nasty, nasty move. Guys, we were here before the news, all right? We were right at this 50 SMA. That's the 200. We were right here at this 50 SMA as soon as this news happened. Look at that. That's insane. And guys, if this news didn't happen, guess what? We would have kept making our way back up. We would have closed above the 50 SMA and we would have made our way back up. For sure. We might have came back down and had another touch, but inevitably we would have made our way back up. What a nasty, nasty move this was. It's been a minute since I've seen a candle like that. That's crazy. Is Biden speaking right now? Nice, nice. Obviously, you need fundamentals. Like, that's just a fact. Obviously, you need fundamentals, but you need technical analysis. So for you to come up in here and say that, I don't know. That's just kind of humorous. I don't know why you would. I mean, I don't know why you would think that. I would love to teach you some TA, man. If you want to learn, I got you. All right, I got you. Keep tuning into the channel, brother. I got you. Technical analysis is a huge, huge tool. All right, there's not a way to predict price action other than using TA. All right, you can use fundamentals, obviously, and you need fundamentals. But to be able to predict, you know, a price bouncing off a certain area, breaking through certain walls, retesting certain areas, you got to know how to read price action, and that is literally the meat and potatoes of technical analysis. All right. Intuition 2. Intuition 2. TA is great. I love TA. I love doing it. I'm like obsessed with it. Price action is my thing, guys. Let's see here. D-Man wants to know my exit plan on the stock. I don't know yet, man. That's like I've been really thinking about that the last couple of weeks, like what my actual exit strategy would be, because I think, you know, your exit's even more important than your entry if on a stock that's going up. It really is. So I don't know. I don't know. Edward J. Mendez says, dude, I've been watching you and Trey for the last 2 months on MVIS. I just want to say thank you for your live today. I was able to make 200% plus option calls. 250 shares, average $12. What a beast. Edward, congratulations, man. I hope you're in the Discord. All right, get up in the Discord if you want to talk about it. Hit me a DM. I want to talk about it with you. That's awesome. That's how you do it, brother. Congrats to you, man. I haven't gone through all these comments yet. I'm trying to. I still don't know where Dwayne's at. That's funny. What are we at here? 1766. All right. So back up to 1806, guys. We're having a little bit of a movement. It's pretty volatile AH here. Negative 2.7% after hours, which whatever. I mean, it is what it is, guys. We're going to have a sell-off here. All right. Like I said, I don't think we're going to just open tomorrow and bust through this. We could. I'm not saying we can't. We could. Guys, we have 54 million in volume. I can't even remember the last time we had over 10 million. All right. This is huge. Absolutely huge. This is such a huge PR. This is absolutely insane. We already know that this is going to create a lot of money for Microvision. They're going to make a crap ton of money. An absolute killing on this contract. Like, man, that's crazy. That is crazy. That is absolutely insane in the membrane. That's so gnarly. Link to the Biden speech. I don't know. I didn't know. I mean, I haven't really been looking at it. I'm sure he is talking. Hopefully, if he mentioned something about EV, I don't know. This is going to be crazy. James Jones said Biden can speak. Hardly. He speaks senile. Oh my God, that's crazy, guys. That's absolutely crazy. What a nasty day this was, guys. The chat was blowing up. The chat was popping off more than it's ever been in my channel. That is so cool. Roaring Coomer says, has it been squozed? No, it has not. It is on the horizon, my friend. It is on the horizon. Only 100,000 short shares available at this point, as far as Fintel says, as of 1 hour ago. That means they have no more steam. They have no more way. There's not another way for them to bring the stock price down. It's impossible. Unless they fabricate shares or, they do something illegal or I don't know. But as far as the numbers go, legally, technically, there's not a way for them to, short any more shares unless people are selling their shares. Don't sell your shares. If you want to stick it to the man, you want to stick it to these bears, you want to stick it to these hedgies, don't sell your shares. That's all you got to do. You're going to make them pay. All right, you're going to make them pay for their mistakes. You just are. They won in the short term a little bit, and we're going to win in the long term. All right, don't sell, because if you want to stick it to them, that's how you do it. D-Man says, we don't know they're actually integrated in the contract, do we? I mean, look, we know this is what we do know. We know the HoloLens cannot function without Microvision technology. We know that. All right, so I don't see how they couldn't be in the contract considering what just happened. Guys, there could be a deal on the table already. All right, Microsoft could have already have a deal to buy that vertical. We don't know. All right, so it might not be a royalty. Microsoft might have just snapped up the vertical already, and they're just waiting to release the PR. That's what I think is going to happen at this point. I don't think Microvision is going to take royalties on this contract. I think that Microsoft is just going to buy the vertical from Microvision. That's what I think, especially after this. I don't know. That's what I think. That's the way it would seem to me. If I was Microsoft, I would rather just pay a flat fee, get the entire vertical, and do it myself, as opposed to selling them or giving Microvision royalties on each unit or whatever the deal would be. So that's just my opinion. I think we're going to get some PR of Microsoft doing something with Microvision here pretty soon. It just seems inevitable, guys. That AR vertical is freaking sick. We already know that the HoloLens 2 literally uses Microvision technology. It's been broken down. There was a guy on Reddit. His name is Stupid. He literally bought the HoloLens, broke it down, and literally pulled out chips and mirrors and all kinds of stuff that literally said Microvision on it. We know that. All right, so I think he paid $3,500. I don't know exactly what he paid, but so I don't see how they couldn't use the technology in this. It wouldn't make any sense. Microvision has like over 450 patents. So Microsoft couldn't just come around and build the same technology. They would be infringing on those patents. So they either have to give Microvision royalties, or they just buy the vertical and call it a day and do it themselves. That's all. That's the only thing I can see happening. All right, at this point, the way that everything's playing out, I truly, truly believe in my heart of hearts that Microsoft will be buying the AR vertical at this point. That's just what I think. That's my opinion. And it is speculation, but we already know that they can't function in that vertical without Microvision's technology. We already know that. It can't work. You can't create the same technology. We have too many patents. So even if Microsoft said, or if Microsoft came in and said, screw you, Microvision, we don't want to pay you any money. We're going to hire another company to build what you built. They can't do it. They're going to get sued, and they'll be infringing on so many patents. They cannot do it. So they either have to give them royalties, or they come in with an offer and buy that vertical for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 billion, and call it a freaking day and do it themselves. So. Lisa says, James, question, is it better to exercise my call option, $16 strike price, expires 4/16, or sell it and use proceeds to buy back in? I would hold that. At this point, I would hold it. At this point, I would just hold on to that as long as you could. Who knows what's going to happen tomorrow? Who knows what's going to happen the next day? Was it 4/16? So you got a couple weeks. I would hold that. I think you're going to have a really nice return on that if you hold it. That's my opinion. I don't think you should buy it just to get back in, because like I said, the stock price is pretty high. For me personally, I feel comfortable buying back in over this 1928 because I think this is a wall. There's not any structure over here, so I know that if we do close above this wall, there's almost endless room for us to go and make a higher ATH. That's why I'm comfortable buying in at this price right here. Not buying in, but adding on, averaging up, okay? I'm comfortable doing it at this point for the simple reason, and we'll go back to what the other guy said when he said technical analysis is bullshit. I wouldn't feel comfortable doing that if I wasn't able to know that that would be a good entry point to add on, all right? Without TA, I wouldn't know that, all right? Fundamentals is not going to tell me that there's a wall right here, all right? Fundamentals aren't going to tell me that this is a huge wall and that if we close above it, there's no structure over here on this chart and there's nothing stopping us from making a higher high. Okay, the only way you know that is from TA, period. So we'll just leave it at that. Let's see here. What else? Let's see these comments here real quick. If Microsoft buys the AR vertical, would the price go up? Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Whew. Yes. Yes, it would. The market cap would raise substantially. The share price would raise substantially. I think if one vertical got sold, guys, you got to think about this, right? Each vertical that Microvision has the potential to spawn trillion-dollar markets, all right? That is insane, all right? So the value behind one of these verticals, like the AR vertical, is endless, all right? It's absolutely freaking huge. So if you are able to buy that, that vertical for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 billion, Microvision has 6 verticals. That puts the valuation, we could get a total of like a 30 or 40 billion dollar valuation considering all the verticals together. So if you sell one vertical for 6 or 7 billion, that's going to raise the share price quite a bit, all right? Quite a bit. So the answer is yes. Oh my God, so many messages on Discord. Wow. John 805, I got you. Lots of people hit me up about that lifetime thing. Man, I got like 35 people I got to respond to. As soon as the stream's over, guys, I'm gonna hook you all up. All right, I got you, and it will be worth it. I promise you. You're welcome, Otto. Is it Mawum? I hope I didn't botch that, but you're welcome. You are welcome. Guys, let me give you the link to the Discord. The Discord's completely free. All right, you can get up in the Discord and chat with other traders that are just like you. All right, and it's just a cool spot. We got a lot of freaking cool people up in here. Really, really have a community that's blossoming, all right? And this is the Discord link right here, guys. If you want to get in there, join the Discord. Make it a new home for yourself. Make yourself at home. Join the family, guys. We got a nice team up in there. And it's just a really cool place to be honest with you. I love getting in there and reading the comments. You guys are hilarious. 1825 after hours. We're making our way back up a little bit. So that puts us about right here. Yeah, there, it just updated. 1824 right now. So I don't know, guys. Tomorrow's going to set up for a nasty day. This is my two things that are going to happen tomorrow. I think it's very black and white too. So we're either going to bust through this wall at open with all this freaking volume. We're either just going to bust through this wall and just, start the ascent, or we're gonna have a little bit more of a sell-off, maybe come back down towards this 50 SMA somewhere. The 50 will probably be up in here during the morning around this $14.50. We could very well see that happen. All right, so don't freak out if we drop down to $14-15. This was a huge move, guys. You haven't seen a move like this in this whole entire move, right? There's going to be a sell-off. Hopefully it's not much. hopefully our volume can, you know, mitigate that sell-off that's probably going to happen. All right. But I think that's what's going to happen. We got two options tomorrow. We either bust through this freaking wall and start making higher highs and, you know, get above this 2420, this ATH, this 10-year ATH, or we come back down a little bit and maybe retest the zone, retest the 50, and then, you know, continue our way back up to the top of the zone. At some point in the near future, guys, we're going to be above this. We're going to make a higher high than this 2420. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. So, Edward Mendez says, how do I sign up for Lifetime? All right, man, you just send me a Discord message. You got to just, hopefully you have Venmo or Cash App. I'll take PayPal, but I really prefer not to. But if you want the Lifetime, I don't know how long I'm gonna be doing it. I might not be doing that after next week. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. I might not be doing that after next week. So if you guys want that Lifetime access to every single piece of content that I'm gonna be pushing out, Forex related, stock market related, how-to videos, private streams, maybe some one-on-one time if you guys want to learn TA and fundamentals, $50 one time. And send me a Discord message, and I will give you the details, and I will hook you up, guys. If you see somebody in the Discord with a diamond next to their name, they have pledged $50 for a Lifetime membership. If you see somebody with a gold name, they have pledged $8 on Patreon to get that gold access, all right? And everyone else is still awesome in there, guys. You don't have to do it. I'm not begging you to do it, but I do want to tell you that every dollar that I get is going to go back into the channel, all right? Pretty much. It just says, I need a new rig. I need a few new pieces of equipment to make the quality better, and you know that's where the money's gonna go. So just so you know. Richard Grant says, James, you got me through rough times this past month. I promised to get your Lifetime membership at break even. I'm ready now. Richard Grant, I remember. I know you had some rough times, brother, but you're in the green now, I think, and we're good, man. I'm glad you're happy. If you're ready to do that, send me a DM on Discord, and I will hook you up, Richard Grant. All right? I will hook you up hard. Let's get some rockets in the chat, guys. We haven't had rockets in a minute. Let's get some rockets in the chat. We had a freaking great day. I got 10 minutes left on the stream, guys. We had a great day, guys. Absolutely insane day. Let's get some rockets going. This is just so awesome. I just feel so good. I'm about to have a great night. I'm not going to sleep a freaking wink. Guys, I will be back tomorrow literally at 8:15 on the dot. We're going to cover 15 minutes before pre-market. We're going to cover 15 minutes before market open, and I will be streaming from 8:30 in the morning until lunch. I'll probably get off for an hour or two and then come back on for power hours. We do this every day, guys. I'm really trying to pump out the value and make this worth it for you guys. We watch this price action together. We cry together. We sweat together, and we laugh together. All right. So we have a team building here, guys. If you want to be part of the team, it costs you $50. All right, $50 for right now, and you get unlimited access. And I'm you know, I think it's worth it. You know, you get members chat. Members chat is popping off always, so that's always fun. The members chat is really a good place to be. I have a blast in there reading y'all's comments. Don't stop, please. I love reading y'all's comments. It's super funny. Where are we at? We're back over 18. Yeah, we were over 18 before. 1796 on Webull. Where are we at? Man, like I said, guys, tomorrow my only two options are either we're gonna bust through this wall and make our ascent up for a higher high, or we're gonna come back down a little bit and retest. I'm leaning towards the retest, guys. All right, I don't think we're gonna jump through the wall, even though we're gonna have crazy volume tomorrow. I still think we're gonna have a sell-off. Right? I still think we're gonna have a sell-off. I think we're gonna sell, and we're gonna make our way back down towards this 50. The 50 is gonna curve up like this a little bit, I think, and we'll probably come back down and test it somewhere up in here, the 16, 17, something like that, and hopefully make our way back up to the top of the zone. Like I said, this is just speculation. It's very hard to tell right now. It's very difficult to tell. But typically, you know, we closed with some wickage on the top. That's indicative that you know, some shares are getting sold, and you know, but we do have volume, guys. We finally have some volume. 55 million in volume. That is crazy. We haven't had volume like that in forever. Guys. I'm happy you guys are happy, man. I really am. Oh my god. Steve W. Oh my god. Nice. I didn't check YouTube. I haven't really seen if anybody's been subbing. Let's see. I don't know how to tell how many subs I've gotten. Late to the party, my friends. You guys heard this news first. Trade Mode James channel, boom. I'm so happy I streamed this today. I am so happy. That is freaking awesome. Oh yeah, we're jumping up in subs. That's really cool. Let me check. I don't know. The only way to see exactly how many you have is to go to this area right here. Let's see here. 1,092. So yeah, we got like 60 subs today. That's awesome, guys. Thank you so much. That is too cool. We're almost at 1,100 subs. That is so freaking cool. Thank you guys so much. Guys, this is just as important as anything else. Realizing what this means right here, I want to make sure you guys understand this. There are no more shares available to be shorted. None. As of now. I mean, there's 100,000, but that's basically none. That is basically none. All right? That is none. In the grand scheme of things, this is trash. This is none. They have no more steam, all right? Especially after PR like this. They're screwed. They're going to be bag holding, guys. They're going to be bag holding forever, or they're just going to cut their losses, all right? They're so screwed. If any retail traders was shorting this stock or they were buying puts, feel the burn, feel the pain, my friends. I don't wish you bad things, but feel the pain, all right? Because we've been feeling it forever. Not forever. We've been feeling it for a couple weeks now. We've had some rough weeks, guys. We really have. Luckily, you know, if you got in under $14, it hasn't been too bad, okay? But if you got in over $14, it's been rough weeks for you, and I feel for you guys. There's a lot of people in the chat, a lot of people that DM me and tell me about their entry points, and they need positive affirmation. Guys, today is your day, all right? Today is your freaking day. I'm happy for all of you. I really am. I'm not just saying that. I really am. I'm so happy for you guys. You know, I've had it good, guys. I've been blessed. You know, I got in. My average is 1150. So at the most, I think I was down 2,000 at the most. No, I think it was 3,500 at the most. All right, down to this 1010. All right, I was down about 3,500, and you know, a lot of you guys are down a lot more than that. All right, and so I've been blessed, and I'm just, like I said, I haven't been too worried. I haven't been down much. A lot of you guys have been down a lot of cash, and you know, like I always say, I know it's very basic. I know it's very cut and dry, but you don't lose a freaking dime until you press that sell button. Okay. You do, hear me out. I know it's very obvious, and it's an obvious thing, but really let that sink in. You don't lose a dime. You don't lose a penny until you press sell. All right, that's a fact. Don't forget that. It's very, very important. All right, it's very important, and I hope you guys really understand that. It's important. So my two things for tomorrow, guys, is we're either gonna just pop off like a freaking like a bus, like a train out of hell, and we're gonna crash above this 1928 wall, and we're just gonna it's just gonna be on literally moon, like literally, okay, literally moon, or we're gonna come back down. We're gonna retrace a little bit. This is a big move, so if I draw a fib here from the bottom of this trend line, we'll do it from the wick. If I draw up here, you can see here that if the stock does retrace to the golden zone here, which is about 50% to 61.8%, which is typical off a big move, that's going to put us back down in this $14.93, $15 range. But guys, you got to remember this too, okay? If you acted like this candle didn't happen, all right? Let's pretend like this did not happen, all right? Let's pretend this didn't happen. We were right here before the news dropped today. We were right here on the cusp, right above this 50 SMA. So if tomorrow came and none of this had happened and we made our way up to $15, we would have been ecstatic. We would have been like, oh my God, we made it to $15. Yeah, woo! We made $15, guys, we're killing it. All right. The fact that we made it all the way up here and we retrace back to 15 and then make a bigger move up, that's no big deal, right? Just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. So 50% retracement would put us back in this golden zone, which is basically where we would be tomorrow if we close above this 50 SMA. All right, so just keep that in mind. All right. D-Man says, well deserved, my dude. Great advice and key points. Look forward to the future content. Thank you, brother. He said, I'm glad I stumbled across this channel. I am too, man. I am too. Thank you very much for being here. Jan Ortiz says, I'll wish them bad things for you. Feel the burn. Feel the freaking burn. Yep, that's what you get. Don't be shorting our stock, man. We don't play games over here. Don't be shorting our stock. You're gonna get punished. Guys, if you didn't know about me, I should have probably said this earlier. I am a professional poker player. I travel around and play poker throughout the country. That's kind of my thing. And that's, you know, if you guys like poker, send me a DM. We can talk about it. But that's kind of my thing. I should have brought that up earlier. Somebody was asking me what I do for a living, yada, yada, yada. So that's kind of my thing, guys. Professional poker player. Been doing it for about 12 years now, professionally, I guess. And by professional, meaning I pay my bills with it, all right? That's basically what I mean. You're not going to see me on TV or anything like that, but I do I do pay my bills via poker, and I've been doing it for quite a while. Did all right in the poker game. And also was a dealer for a long time. I was a dealer for about 8 years. Well, about 6 years. Underground games, I was dealing for 2 years. Then I moved up to, you know, casino level. I dealt for about 6 years on a professional level. So anyways, do I think it's time to average up? Luna says. I don't know, Luna. I don't know. Like I said, for me personally, everybody was asking me why I didn't add on. I told you guys I need to close above this. I don't want to just go above 1928. All right, I don't want to, because for this reason right here. I mean, look at this. If I would have added on $10,000 right here when we got above 1928, I would be down a lot of money right now. All right, I'd be down like, you know, almost a little over $1,000. I didn't want to do that. I want to see a close above here. I want to see that this level of support and resistance is respected. All right, as soon as we break through this and close and maybe come back down and find support here and go back up, that's when I'm going to be comfortable. I'm going to say, okay, we've literally found support on a higher time frame, and now I'm comfortable averaging up. Guys, averaging up is a scary thing, all right? It's not like averaging down. All right, if you have a $15 share price and the price goes down to $10, it's not very scary to add on if you know your stock's going to go. But if you have a $15 share price and the stock goes up to 20, at that point, you know, you got to say, man, is this going to retrace or is it going to keep going? It's a little bit scarier. So you got to have a little bit more, what's the word? Confidence in what's going on. All right. So I will have much more confidence if we break above close and we come back down and test this level of support and it bounces off. Then I know that we're respecting it. And, that's when I'll be comfortable at averaging up. Basically. All right. Parker Boy says, I heard about that stock from another channel. Someone was chatting about it, and I cashed out some stock and bought into it. Wild ride. You're talking about this stock or another stock? I'm trying to see what you said. Let's see here. Guys, everyone that's messaged me on... everybody that's messaged me on Discord for the $50 one-time lifetime access, I'm probably not going to be doing that much longer. So... if you want to do it, if you want diamond status on the Discord and diamond status, which is basically just lifetime content for me without having to do any other pledge, any kind of monthly Patreon pledge, you got to do it pretty soon. I'm not going to be doing it much longer. All right. So $50 one time, you got lifetime access in my book, and I'm available 24/7. You guys have any questions? If you guys want to talk stocks, poker, whatever, we can get up in the Golden Zone chat. That's an audio chat channel. I haven't really been using that lately because nobody's been in it, but I hope that we start getting in it. And all this is available in the members only Patreon section of my Discord. All right. Let's see here. What else can we talk about before I sign out of here? What are we at? What's the stream at right now? Where we at? Here we go. 172 people up in the chat right now. Guys, I'm freaking tired. That took a lot out of me, man. Like that, my blood pressure was through the freaking roof. And guys, I'm used to the swings, right? In Forex, I remember getting in breakout trades and watching my pip, me clear 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 pips in one trade, making, $10,000, $15,000. That's the same feeling that I got with this going up, except I know that the end game is going to be a $200,000 profit for me or more. Guys, I'm going to make a lot of money on this stock, all right, with my investment. And I know a lot of you are going to make a lot more. We got a guy in here, Mike B. He's got so many shares. He said he was up $2 million from this move today. $2 million from this move. Mike, shout out to you, brother. I'm happy for you, man. Sticking it to the man. Sticking it to the freaking Bears. Have fun paying taxes on that, though, man. You're going to get killed paying those cash out taxes. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Richard Grant says, I love you, James. Love you too, buddy. I told you guys we got this. It would not make sense. It really wouldn't. I mean, why in the world would they want to pay royalties? Why wouldn't they just buy the company, buy the vertical for $6 billion and call it a freaking day, man? Call it a day, Microsoft. Get up in that one time. Get up in it one time. Buy the vertical. Call it a freaking day. All right? Don't be paying royalties. Just call it a day. Buy the vertical. Call it a day. Pay Sumit Sharma what he wants. Pay don't lowball, pay fair market value for the vertical and call it a day. That's all you got to do. Because that government contract, that's just the beginning. If they ordered, okay, guys, look, there's a lot more people in the army and the military than 180,000, all right? So if the first 180,000 go through, who knows how many they're going to order next? You know what I mean? The government prints money. They have unlimited funds, all right? So who knows? I don't know. This company's going to skyrocket, guys. If you're in Microvision right now, you have made a freaking life-changing investment. regardless of the skin you have in the game. All right, you got 1 share, you got 1,000,000 shares. It doesn't matter. You're going to make a crazy ROI. If you have $10 and you turn $10 into 100, that is still a very good return, okay? You got to look at it like that. You got to look at it like that. Did my stream just close? What just happened right now? Thumbs up in the chat if you guys can hear me, guys.
What just happened right now?
Thumbs up in the chat if you guys can hear me. I don't know what just happened. Did I close the stream? Oh, there it is. Okay. I thought I closed the stream. Crap, that scared me. That scared me. I don't know what just happened. How do I go back to that? I don't even know how to get back to that. Give me a second. Let me figure this out. I got to get back to that channel somehow. I think I got to go here. No. Yes, is this it? Oh my God, thank God. All right. I almost screwed up. All right, you guys can still hear me, right? I just want to give me some more thumbs up. Let me just make sure, because I don't know if I messed this up or not. You guys can hear me, right? All right, making sure. All right, yes, you can. All right, we're good. Anyways, let's see this chat. It says, James, can you talk about a good entry point for buying more? Kelly Rourke, yes, I will. Like I said, Kelly, I think there's really only 2 options for tomorrow. Let's talk about it real quick before I sign off. One more. We're either going to pop up and get above this 1928, which you guys can see. Just look left. I always tell you guys, look left. If you want to know what's going to happen, look left. This is a very, very, very highly respected level of resistance, okay? Just like this trend line is a very, very, very high level of support, which is why every single time we touch it, we have huge moves up, all right? Boom, 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 boom. It's very respected, all right? So if we were to close above 1928 tomorrow and make our way in this zone right here, I would probably say, if you get a couple hour close candles in here and it retests, you got to wait for the retest, okay? Because you don't know how high up it's going to go. You don't want this to go up here and then you add on up here and then it retests back down to the bottom of the zone. You don't want that. You always want to take the retest, all right? That's like the most important thing when it comes to adding on. You don't want to get it at the top. You want to get it at the bottom. So if we break through this zone right here, Kelly Rourke, and we come up here, to make a, up here in this $22 range or something crazy like this, this is not a good time to add on. You want to wait until it comes back down and test the level of support that it left. All right, because this was resistance, okay? So you want to make sure that this is actually going to be support for us once we break through. We could come up in here and break right back down below it, okay? You don't want that to happen after you've added on up here. So you want to make sure that this level is supporting, and we'll talk about it tomorrow. We're going to follow the price action tomorrow, so I'll be able to tell you what's going on. But like I said, if we break through, you want to retest, and you want to make sure that it's respecting this as support now, instead of breaking back down and using it as resistance and pushing it back down. All right, so that's one thing, a good spot to add on. If you break through, it comes back down, and this level of resistance turns into support, and you can visibly see price action bouncing off this to the upside. That means that it's respected and it's turned into support. Otherwise, another good entry point would probably be if we retrace a little bit off this area, come back down towards this 50 SMA, back down towards this golden zone. 50% retracement would put us in this golden zone, all right? And that's basically where we'd be at tomorrow if we didn't have this news, all right? That's my prediction. If we didn't have all this news today, we would have been up in this golden zone anyways, and, we would have been happy about it. So I think if you come back down and say we make it to the top of this golden zone, maybe around 1540, and it respects it, and you see a reversal, so it could come down, reverse off the top of this golden zone. When you start seeing it go back up, that would be a good spot to add on to. Okay, so those are my 2 options. That's my opinion. Guys, take it with a grain of salt. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you're looking to add on, I would say a breakthrough to the top, a retest, and make sure it's respecting this level as support now instead of resistance. That's a good spot. Or a retrace back down towards this golden zone and a reversal off that would be a good spot too. That's my opinion, all right? No problem, Kelly. Let's see if I read any more of these comments. 484 patents with 28 pending. Man, they got some freaking... Perry B, it would be very hard to see red tomorrow. It would be very difficult. It would be very difficult. I mean, and depending on your average, it's going to be difficult. I don't think a lot of us will see red. It would just be so hard. I mean, I don't know. We're going to have crazy volume tomorrow, guys. We ended the day with 55 million in volume. Hear me, please. 55 million volume. All right, 55 million volume. Let that number sink in. That's what we closed out the day with, 55 million. It's not just going to be at like, you know, 1 million tomorrow or something like It's not just going to do that. All right. We are literally probably going to open with the same amount of volume we closed with today. It's going to be close. We're going to be at least like 20 million, minimum 20 million tomorrow. If not more, guys. That is a huge PR. I think a lot of you may not really understand how big of news that really is. That is huge news, okay? Microvision is tied to Microsoft via that technology for that contract. That is huge news. Absolutely huge. All right? Absolutely huge. Like colossal, guys. Colossal. All right? Let me pull up the RSI real quick. Let's see here. Relative Streak Index. So RSI, we're pretty much in the overbought territory, guys. All right, that's why I'm thinking we're probably going to have a little sell-off here. I don't know if we'll make our way all the way down in this golden zone, but I imagine, you know, we're at the 81.65 on the RSI, so we're pretty overbought right now. I mean, it's up there. All right, could it keep going? Yes. Do I think that it's going to keep going? I mean, if RSI was like right here in the 62, I would probably say, wow, there's a lot of room to go up, and we probably will bust through this wall. But I think that probably we're going to have a little bit of a retracement after this huge move. Somewhere, you know, I'm not even going to speculate, but I would imagine, you know, we could retrace 50%. We could come back down in the golden zone and reverse. These are reversal zones, all right? Most stocks retrace 50 to 61.8% off big moves. That's a known fact. And Fibonacci works because people believe in it. So people know these zones, and they trade off them, and they do work. They do work. So like I said, we're going to have to just wait until tomorrow to see what happens. But I think as far as open goes, I don't know. RSI is really overbought right now, guys. We haven't been this overbought in a long time. I mean, the last time we were even up here anywhere close was, I mean, we were kind of close here, I guess, on March 12th. But that was a while ago. That was on this move right here. But guys, I don't know. We're going to have to wait and see. And guys, I will be on live tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning covering the bell. Tomorrow is the last day of the week, the trading week. So that's why I think after this move, we're just going to have a crazy day tomorrow. Hopefully we don't retrace back down. But if we do, we have multiple levels of support. Multiple. We have walls all up in this piece. And we definitely have this trend line who, I don't know who the guy earlier that said TA was bullshit. But man, don't listen to that freaking guy. Don't listen to that guy. All right, we have many levels of support and resistance, and the only way you could find these is through technical analysis, so I'm not sure what he's talking about. But, you know, we have many walls that are going to help us, and I don't know. We're going to have to see what happens, guys. We're going to have to see what happens. We could have a sick run tomorrow. John R says, when do we sell some profits, $35 or $60? John, I don't know, man. I mean, that's going to be up to you. I personally am not selling until at least $90. I'm not even going to consider... hear me. I'm not even going to consider selling my position until we get above $90. That's just me. I know that this... did the market cap go up 1 billion? Did it really? That's actually really huge. Where's the market cap? Where is this? I don't see that. It still says 2.92 on mine. Anyways, yeah, guys, we're just going to see what happens. But, guys, please press that sub button, all right? If you're in the chat right now, press that subscribe button. Get the notifications for when I go live. You know, get up on the Discord. It's free. You can get in there. There is an option for gold, and there's an option for lifetime access. And you don't just get lifetime access to the Discord. You get lifetime access to every piece of content that I'm going to be putting out in the future. Trading techniques, how-to videos, private live streams, Patreon trade setups. You know, you get access to all the private member chats and in the Discord. I feel like there's going to be a lot of value in there. So I don't know how long I'm going to be doing that. $50 is $50, guys. And I think it's if you're investing in your future and you're investing in learning technical analysis and fundamentals of the stock market and the Forex market, I think $50 is a small price to pay, all right? And every dollar I make is going back to the channel anyway. So you guys are just supporting my vision. You're supporting my dreams, all right? And it means a lot to me. And guys, even if you can't support like that, just being in the chat, just being in the Discord talking, being in these live streams, you support in ways that you really will never understand, all right? You make it worth doing, all right? Thank you guys so much. Guys, I'm going to call it a day here. I got a few things I need to do. I would love to stay and talk with you guys, but I've been streaming for a hot minute now. I streamed for like 6 hours earlier, and now we just put another 2.5 on there. So I'm going to stream till about 4:25. That's another 7 minutes. And so if you guys have anything you want to talk about or anything like that, please let me know. Hit me up on Discord if you do want that $50 lifetime access to my content. We can make it happen. And that's pretty much where I'm at right now, guys. Today was a really great day. Really, John, was it 1.9? Okay, yeah, you're right. It did. You are right about that. Yeah, we did. I guess we did go up $1 billion in market cap. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah. That's awesome. Richard Grant says, everybody buy a lifetime membership tonight. James just made all of the OG MVIS crew several thousands of dollars. Hey, man. Richard, I'm so glad you're happy, man. I'm glad you're in the green, dude. I honestly am. I know you had a rough one. You had a rough couple weeks, dude. I'm glad you're in the green. Shout out to Richard, guys. Can we get some rockets for Richard Grant in the chat? Throw some rockets Richard's way. That guy's a G, man. That guy is a G. $50, Charlie. Yep. You know, or you can, you don't have to do it. Like I said, that's just something I came up with, and I think that that's fair. I think it's fair, considering what I'm planning to do with this channel. All right, and considering all the other things I'm going to do in the channel, I think that if you're looking for some value in trading and stuff like that, it's going to be a small price to pay. We're going to freaking eat on this channel. We're going to find another Microvision. We're going to find another needle in a haystack, guys. We do this all in the members Discord chat. We find stocks and stuff to invest in, and my private DD streams I'm going to start doing, you guys. We're really going to just we're going to find some really awesome investments, and if you're part of the team, you're going to be able to see it, and you're going to be able to eat with the team. All right, we're going to do it. We're going to freaking do it. Guys, today's stream was totally successful, not because of how many people were in here, but just because of the news. So epic. Absolutely insane, man. That's just, I don't even want to get off of here. I don't even want to get off of here. It's so crazy. Oh man, this is going to create some FOMO, guys. Like this is going to create some FOMO. I told you guys, back in the day, weeks and weeks and weeks ago, that if we ever close above 1928, you're going to see FOMO kick in like a mofo, and that's going to catalyst us up to the $30 range. FOMO is about to kick in, guys. I'm telling you, people are, think about this. Okay, I want to say this real quick. 55 million in volume, guys. Our average volume is 14 million, all right? Our average volume is around 14 or 15 million average. On the last couple weeks, we've only had, 5-6 million a day, sometimes less than that, 2-3 million. We're at 55 million. Do you know how many people got in this stock today? Do you know how many people jumped in this stock today? They're not going to let go. If they got in now, they're thinking, oh my God, we're going to the moon now. You're right, we are going to the moon. So a lot of people got in this stock, guys. We could crush through this wall. I mean, $30 is right around the corner, guys. It's right around the freaking corner. I promise you. I promise you, it's right around the corner. All right, I promise. Hold tight. Diamond freaking hands. We got, oh guys, 1810 on the post. That's good. We're still above 18, man. Well, we're not far off from where we were. This, we're still pretty close. We're gonna go into tomorrow with some freaking volume. I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight, guys. I am so screwed. Oh man, I'm gonna need like 4 coffees just to even get out of bed tomorrow. I'm just gonna be laying there staring at the freaking wall, staring at the Discord, staring at the members chat, watching you guys put all those funny memes in there. Oh God, tomorrow's gonna be a tiring day. It's gonna be worth it though. It's gonna be worth it. Oh, it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it, guys. I've had a great time today. This has been awesome. Oh man, I don't even want to sign off. I'm having so much fun. Phil Gonzalez says, AMC Apes, we coming in to help the Mavis movement. Let's go. Phil is up in this piece. That's what I'm talking about, Phil. Heck yeah. We're going to eat, guys. We're about to eat hard. Yes, welcome AMC Apes. Please diamond this with us. You already know what it is, guys. You already know. Dwayne is nowhere to be found. Dwayne, where are you, Dwayne? Send me a DM right now so I can get you up on the mic. I would love to interview Dwayne on this channel. Dwayne, Angus, whatever your freaking name is. Get up in here. I want to know what corner you're sleeping in tonight. Or what bus stop you're sleeping at. Oh my God. That guy was funny. I mean, I can't hate on the guy, right? The guy wasn't disrespectful. He wasn't rude. He wasn't disrespectful. He was against Mavis, dude. It is what it is. I mean, you can't be mad at the guy for that. I mean, it is what it is, man. Hey, I gotta throw a little bit of shade his way. That guy came in here talking about my baby, man. You can't be coming up in a channel literally dedicated to Microvision and tell me Microvision's crap. You just can't do it. I'm gonna throw you a little shade. I want him to join the team. I hope we can sway him. We can get him on the team. Angus, I want to talk to you, man. We gotta get you on the team, brother. Phil Gonzalez said, we diamond handing for sure. I've been diamond handing AMC since January, telling all AMC apes on Weeble to join the movement because we would want the same. Phil, spread the word about my channel. I want people to see what I'm doing here. Not because I want my channel to grow, but because I think, you know, the way that I cover this stock, it's going to make people want to get in, all right? Not just because of, you know, for no reason, but because I really put the facts right in your face, all right? And I really hope that you guys can help spread the word about this channel. Let's get people in Microvision. I want to make people rich, man. I want to make people some money, and I think this stock can do it. I really do. Relaxing Time says, you deserve a subscribe, James. Here you go. Thank you very much. It is much appreciated, and it means more than you know, I promise. Golden says, bro, I'm up 500 thanks to you. No, man, it's thanks to you. You made the decision to get in this stock, all right? I didn't do that. You did it. You did that, Golden. You found the stock, you read the DD, and you made a good investment, my friend. And that's all on you, brother. That's all on you. But I will tell you this. I'm not making you guys money with Microvision, but I'm going to find us the next Microvision. I'll tell you that much. I'm going to find us the next Microvision. And if you're part of my team, you're going to eat off it, all right? I promise you that much. I will find us the next Microvision. I don't know when it's going to be. I don't know what it's going to be, but I'm going to find it. Because after Microvision, I'm not just done trading, right? I got to find another investment, another company to believe in, another stock to believe in. There's always companies that are trying to change the world, guys. All right, you just got to find them, all right? You just got to find them. Kelly just cracked a beer. Mama cracked a beer. Kelly, what are you drinking? That's what I want to know. I hope it's not Natty Light. Say something. Say it's at least something good. AMC Apes here. Saw your post, Phil. We coming in, y'all. What up, Philip J. Cold? I see y'all. Hey, AMC Apes, you are welcome in my channel. I'm about to drop an investment in AMC, I think. I told myself if AMC went down below $10, I was going to get back in. So we might start covering AMC for real on the live stream. Guys, every day at 8:30 in the morning. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell. I promise you it's going to be worth it. We have a good time in here. We have a good time up in here, I promise. So if you guys want to join a channel that's fun and entertaining and also, you know, valuable, get up in this piece. I promise you, we have a good time. The Discord link is right here. You guys want to get on the Discord? I'm going to be in Discord all night. I'm not even going to be freaking sleeping. Oh my God. The WSB crew is here. Well, I'm cool with that. Let's go. Let's go. Wilson Estrada says, thank you for telling me not to sell. I was so tempted. I know, dude, I'm not even going to lie to you. Like, I'm not even going to lie to you. I'm being so honest. Like, when I see my account plus $10,000, dude, today I was up 12K. Like, of course I want to hit sell. I'm like, $12,000. Like, oh my God. Like, let me just take that profit and get back in on the dip. I had to tell myself, like, okay, you know what you invested in. $12,000 is nothing compared to what you can make if this company actually gets bought out. I'm holding strong, guys. Oh my God. I'm holding so strong. I'm holding strong. If freaking Mike B did not sell $2 million, guys, why are you selling? Freaking Mike B was up $2 million on this move. That guy ain't selling. Why are you? You know, you got to think about that. I bet the Moon ETF holders are freaking jumping for joy right now. Moon ETF has 10% holding in Microvision. 10%. They're freaking killing it. Everyone ate off this move, guys. Everyone. All right? Every single person. I notice I lose viewers when I leave this channel. And guys, I want you to know, I'm not trying to show you my stats here. I can only see the chat either here or on my phone, and I have a bad habit of turning this on while I'm talking. So that's the only reason, guys. That's another reason I need you guys to, you know, help me out with that $50. Lifetime access. It's going towards the channel. I'm going to get myself a really badass trading rig, get some multiple screens going, and, you know, get it popping off in here. I need to. All right? I need to. So that's where the money's going. And some of it might go back in Microvision. I'm not going to lie. I just want to add as much money as I can to the stock. I'm just waiting for the right time. Waiting for the right time, guys. If AMC goes below $10, I'm in. 10,000. Mark my words. I will do it live on the stream. I think a couple weeks ago, I put 2,000 in on the stream. So I will put 10,000 in Microvision right now, guys. I got about 50,000. All right. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I got about 50K in powder waiting to just find something to put it in. I will put 10,000 in in AMC if we go below $10 again. I guess I'll do it. I mean, I think the squeeze potential is definitely there. You know, I know we got a lot of apes in here. We got a lot of freaking apes. Karen Burbank, we got a lot of freaking apes up in this piece. Shout out to TREY'S Trades. I hope that guy, maybe I can talk to him one day. Maybe me and Trey can talk Microvision one day. That'd be sweet. I think that would be a badass stream. I really do. I would, not just because of the amount of people that would see it. I just think me and that dude talking about Microvision would just be sick. That would be a good stream. Trey, what's up, man? Send me a DM, dude. Let's get it. Let's make it happen, bro. All right, let's make it happen. I've been watching your channel since you were doing what I'm doing, recording on your laptop with no video. I've been watching your channel since then. You popped off. You deserve it. All right, guys, we're gonna call it for today. All right, I'm out of here. Thank you guys so freaking much for hanging out with me. All right, thank you guys very, very, very much. Hopefully you subscribe. Hopefully you guys get up in the Discord. And all you people that are waiting for me to hook you up with that diamond status, the lifetime status for the $50 pledge, I got you. As soon as I get off the stream, I'll hook all of you up. All right, thank you very, very, very much. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. All right, today was a very, very awesome day. I don't even want to sign off because I'm just so happy for all of you. I'm glad you guys made some money. I'm glad you guys made some money. All right. See you guys in the Discord. All right. Hop in the Discord. We're going to continue this chat. I'm going to be in there. I'm going to go play some Fallout and celebrate while I talk in the Discord with you guys. Get up in there and let's talk some more about what happened today. All right. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love. And I will see you guys tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning for the bell. And we're going to see what happens tomorrow. It's going to be absolutely insane. All right. Get them AMC apes up in here. I'll cover AMC if you guys want. I will. I'll take the slack. Get your boys up in here. Tell them about the channel. Get them in the Discord. We'll talk more about AMC tomorrow. All right. I'll start covering it because I really am thinking about putting some money into it at this point. I think the squeeze is coming. All right, guys. Let's talk tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. I will see you guys on Discord. Peace and love. Trade Mo James signing up out of here. Peace out.